We back. Doing it again. Doing it well. Doing it well. What's good with you? How y'all living? Who's living? Who's dying? Who's living? Who's dying? Who's living? Who's dying? A little early. We are a little early. Oh man, got my Pilates on this morning. You know, I'm a big Pilates guy. You know, just big Pilates guy, the kind of guy, you know what I mean? Big Pilates guy. I'm a big Pilates guy. Right now, we're getting ready. It is currently, what is it, 8:35. News just came out. We had some news just come out. I need my drink. Gotta get pumped up here. Gotta get pumped up here, chat. All right. Well, looky. NASDAQ went up. Went up overnight. Good Lord, look at this thing. That bull flag yesterday printing twice. I mean, 3 times really. Yesterday off of the opening range, we had the opening range high. We break to the upside. What a move. Right now, big news coming out here. Big news coming out. Warbucks dropping a little discount. Right now, it's happening. Yesterday, I traded Nvidia yesterday. Got a nice little pop there end of day. Finally. After waiting and waiting, I was long from like here, 188 level. Got up there at 189 end of day. So let's see what happens here today. What stock to trade? What stocks got news? What stocks hot? We're currently looking at the Warbucks Equities stock trading platform. For a limited time, the normal price of the Equities account, the 50K account is normally $240, but with the code BDH, it's only $199. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Good morning. We're back. Doing it live. Is there an affiliate program for Warbucks? Possibly. Send us an email. Info at only, send an email to info@onlyprofirms.com. We'll check it out. We're not really looking for affiliates, but you know, hey, if you got it, if you can prove your worth, maybe. Just don't really, you know. Don't know, man. We don't know, man. Is Warbucks hiring? What do you mean? What do you mean by 50K account? I mean by Warbucks. The 50K account on Warbucks right now, Equities, one-step funding, 50K is only $199 with the code BDH. So $199 right now. The discount, it's about a $40 discount on top of the already discounted price. So it's a one-time fee, $240 right now. We'll see what happens here once the market opens up. What do we got? We got crude oil down, right? Crude oil selling down. We got the NASDAQ setting up here into open. I think we had a little bit of news, right? Had a little bit of news this morning. Pulling up the news, onlyprofirms.com. Onlyprofirms.com. Trent said he blew his account last night trading during the night. Oh, why you do that for, Trent? Come on, man. Don't do that. You gotta stop that. Chat. All right, so we had, looks like some news came out at 8:30. Some PPI numbers came out there at 8:30. Looks like a little bit of news at 8:55, a Redbook year over year. And then other than that, on Friday, we got initial jobless claims. So Friday, initial jobless claims. We'll see what happens. If you haven't checked out the all-new Warbucks BTC website, check it out. It's popping. The biggest, the largest. Look at those payouts going across the board. Payout confirmed. You can enter to win a free account every single day. You got 1 hour until the next winner is picked. But We got crypto. We got equities. It's going down. It's going down at warbucksbtc.com. Right now, the NASDAQ. Let's pull up the daily chart here, see what we're at. Look at this thing. Looking, oh my Lord. Look at the V recovery. Oh my Lord, chat. That's a V if I've ever seen one. Holy guacamole. Are we going for all-time highs sooner than later? Pretty crazy. I mean, we're not far from it when you think about it. Kind of like this 26,500 level. All-time high is 26,800. So right now, running into resistance there, 25,692. But talk about a frickin' recovery. Talk about a frickin' recovery. So we'll see what happens today. We'll see what happens today. Not that, I mean, not that big of a move overnight. Decent move. We closed yesterday down here, 25,500 level. So, which is weird. I don't know why is that the close from yesterday? Oh, I guess, yeah. Market closed right there, 25,540, then pushed up 25,600 for that. Before that hourly candle closed here. So, well, let's see what happens. We had a huge move yesterday. Absolutely killed it yesterday on this move. Did you guys see this? Yesterday after, well, not after hours, at the end of day yesterday, man, absolutely, it was so funny because I was literally sitting there looking at the chart and I was like, hey, you know, this is not financial advice is what I was saying. Look at me, I'm dancing, calling out not financial advice. And then bam, watch this thing go, boys. Watch it go. 470 push. Watch it go. Just watch it. There's that 70 push. Oh, another thing, another long here. Try to add right there. Look at this thing. Watch this move. Watch this move end of day yesterday. Oh my Lord. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. It just went. Not financial advice. It just went yesterday. We get a new push here. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Okay. Oh, you gotta love it. Financial advice. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. This is not financial advice. You gotta love that 350 algorithm sometimes. Okay. This is not financial advice. Chat, this is not financial advice. Who made money with me? It's still going. Let's go. It's up to the 500s. Come on. I mean, you gotta admit it. Chat, who's the #1 day trader on YouTube? I mean, come on. Who's the #1? Come on. There's only one, baby. There's only one. And look at that, the bull flag absolutely printing yesterday. We had multiple bull flags. We made money power hour yesterday. If you saw this setup, did it live, talked about this bull flag here. 5-minute chart, had a bull flag breakout. We took a long here at this 400 level, sold into this push, took another long here at 350. Look at that thing go. This was also a push here around 12 o'clock, talked about that bull flag as well. So we had the 12 o'clock bull flag set up. We had the 2 o'clock bull flag set up. Then we had the 350 bull flag. So it was bull flagging, bull flagging, bull flagging. Just got to wait for those bull flags, baby. Got to wait for a bull flag sometimes. So congratulations if you made a little bit of money yesterday. Well, you're happy. Yes, my friends, that's right. We got a new deal going on right now. Warbucksbtc.com. We got the 50K account. It says that it's $240, but don't worry. For only $199, you can start trading equities, the 50K account. Get $5,000 being your step one goal, $1,200 daily loss limit, maximum $2,000. So we'll see. Right now, I'm trading the 25K account. You only get $600 daily loss limit, $1,000 total loss limit. The 50K account doubles that And currently at the price, it's with that code BDH, it's $199. So we'll see what happens. Getting ready, market open 189. 189 here, holding up. Well, from the close yesterday on Nvidia. Where are we at right now on Nvidia, I wonder? Let me see. What's Nvidia doing here in the morning? Looking at Nvidia on the chart right now. Extended trading hours. Yeah, it looks like a bit of a gap up on Nvidia. 190.34 level on Nvidia. So a lot of stocks probably going to be gapping up this morning. See what happens with Nvidia at open. Get a pullback possibly. So we'll see. We're getting ready. DMoney's on the roof right now. He's installing some new satellites. He just bought a couple of new satellites off Amazon. He says that he's got it figured out. He knows exactly how we're going to make this stream better. We're going to make it faster. We're going to make it stronger. We're going to make it longer. So shout out to DMoney doing God's work up there, you know. I got a little something there. Those are evals. We need a list of equities on the website. Well, I mean, we have that, sir. If you go to the Warbucks FAQ and you go click on what products can I trade, it'll tell you exactly what products you can trade. Look at that. I'm a man of the people, right? I'm a man of the people. So Amazon, Caterpillar, Comcast, Capital One, Costco, Walt Disney, John Deere. We got FedEx, we got Home Depot, we got Lowe's, we got MasterCard, McDonald's, 3M, Nvidia, PayPal, Tesla. There we go. Are you doing the 50K equities giveaways? Maybe, you never know. Maybe, you never know. We're getting ready here. We're getting fired up. It's Tuesday. Absolutely crushed it yesterday. Big move up. Let's see if that party continues here today. Can we go higher? Can we go lower? We're obviously going to be opening up with a big gap below us. Big gap below us. We'll see how she plays. What's good? Highway to the vision. Can we trade penny stocks? I mean, sometimes, chat. Sometimes I do wonder. Somebody just asked, can we trade penny stocks? Let me. I just showed the stocks that we can trade. I literally just showed it. And at any point on that list of stocks, did you see penny stocks? Did you see any penny stocks on there? There's a whole list of them on the website, but did you see any penny stocks? No, sir. You may trade any S&P 100 equity products made available on the platform for this program. Can you do a short? Yes, you can short, you can go long, you can go short. Trading Warbucks. You cannot hold overnight, you cannot swing trade. This is for trading equities, guys, for trading stocks, getting in, getting out. Right now, the deal is $199 for the 50K account. That's the biggest discount, I think, well, we just launched this on Friday, but that's the biggest discount we've ran yet, so. PDT rule. No PDT rule, guys. No PDT rule. This is not like this is not Robinhood. Guys, this is not Robinhood. What does 2-to-1 leverage mean? It's too early for these questions. 2-to-1 leverage means that you can buy 2-to-1 leverage. So if you have $10,000, you can buy $20,000 worth of stock. Your link shows 50% on Lucid, but only 40%. Yeah, it's 50% for some traders, just not all traders. PW is gonna lose it. I mean, I'm not gonna lose it, but sometimes it's just questionable. You're like, sometimes sometimes people ask me questions. They're like, Patrick, I want, they start asking me questions, and I just literally say, I'm like, listen, listen, just go ahead and just don't. You know, sometimes the best answer for people is like, don't. And they're like, what do you mean don't? I'm like, just don't. Don't trade. Don't try to open an account. Just don't. You know, sometimes the best advice for somebody wanting to get into day trading is just don't. Just don't. I don't know. That's the way I look at it. Sometimes you just gotta agree that, you know, hey, maybe you're not cut out for this. You know, maybe you're not cut out for day trading, and that's fine, right? Not everybody is gonna make it. Day trading is very hard, very difficult. If you don't know how to use a computer, it might be, you know, it might be better to not day trade. Why the charging me for 2 accounts, 36 and another 36? I mean, did you press buy twice, Robert? Robert, did you press the buy button twice? Like, I highly doubt that our website just automatically charged you twice. I have a feeling that you pressed the buy button twice or something. I mean, I don't know, man. The BDH code only works on the 50K account. Only works on the 50K account, so. Great questions this morning. Yeah, no, they're great. We love them. We love good questions. Jerome hacked Warbucks, charging everyone twice. I hope not. Do I own Warbucks? I guess I'm a partner. I don't own the whole thing, but I'm a partner in Warbucks. Robert M, if you've got issues with your credit card, again, like, our website did not charge you twice. I think you just pressed the buy button twice. We have really good customer service. I'm not customer service, so what I would do is I would contact the customer service at Warbucks and be like, hey, for some reason I have 2 charges, like, because I can't really do anything about that right now. I understand that you're upset because you got charged twice, but, like, you know, I don't do the credit card, you know, charges. Like, that's not my job. This is like, we're live on YouTube trying to day trade right now. I want to help you, but, like, I can't, you know, I can't really do anything right now. But yeah, the customer service is really good. So I would go talk to customer service and they'll get you figured out. No options trading. Patrick, what is the meaning of the universe? The meaning of the universe is to use the code PW and win. Win. Fuck everything else and win. I mean, the nice thing is, Robert, you can have 2 accounts. You know, you can trade 2 accounts if you want. Like, if you have 2 evals, so it's not like, you know, it's not like you wasted your money, but yeah, I don't know, man. PW, these people struggle to find the like button, but they want to trade. You know, you got a point there, my friend, Wisdom. Wisdom has a point. You know, Wisdom has a point. We've got all these people watching, but nobody hitting the like button. As DMoney would say, we got to do better. We got to do better, chat. DMoney wants 3,000 likes. This guy, man, he every day he's like, I want 5,000 likes, 7,000 likes, 10,000 likes. He's addicted to the likes. He said pretty soon he's gonna stop working for money and only work for likes. He's gonna pay his rent in the likes. He told his landlord at the building and said, "Do you guys take a likes?" And they said, "A what?" "Yeah, a like." I don't know, man. That guy DMoney, he's becoming a beast, a social media beast. You know, it's funny because Jerome did warn me. He said, "You better watch out. DMoney it's gonna get to his head." But the thing is, like, now he's on the roof, so you know, DMoney's your most loyal soldier. You think he's more loyal than Ginger? Should we have a loyal contest? I'll secretly put $10,000 on DMoney's next paycheck. And I'll put $10,000 on Ginger's paycheck, and we'll see who texts me first. Because I will say something. One time I overpaid Denny. Denny's in the chat. I overpaid him by like $200 or whatever. And I swear to God, fucking Denny, bro. Denny was there. Denny, the minute that he got paid, he called me or texted me. It was like, hey, I just want to let you know you overpaid me. You know, do you want me to send the money back? And I was like, how much did I overpay you? He's like, oh, you overpaid me $200. And I was like, well, congratulations. You win. You won the loyalty test, sir. Shout out to Denny. Look, now we got Ginger and we got DMoney fighting over who's more loyal. We should have a whole contest, like Survivor. But at the end of it, I vote who's more loyal. How can we do this? I know that DMoney wants one of those watches. So like maybe if I bought one of those watches and then I just like leave it on the desk and see what happens, you know, over time. I'll just like, whenever I'm gone, I'll just like lay the watch, you know, like on the desk. And if I come back and it's moved, well then, you know, he might not be trustworthy. He might have worn it. You know, I'll say, hey, D-Money, whatever you do, don't wear this gold 41 date just. Whatever you do, D-Money, don't wear it. What do you guys think? You think you can trust him? You think D-Money would wear it, or you think he would just watch it? What would he do? I don't know. We should have D-Money and Ginger play ping pong? I don't know. You know how we could test Ginger's loyalty? Very simple. Very simple. We get a little puppy and we say, listen, Ginger, you're not allowed to pet the puppy. You're not allowed to touch the puppy. If you do, that means you're disloyal to Patrick. It's either the puppy or me. Ginger's picking the puppy all day. See? That's the problem. She gotta pick the puppy all day, man. There's no loyalty in this world, chat. I pay the bills, but the puppy, you know, I can't beat the puppy. It's fucked up. Ginger always tells me how loyal she is, but I'm like, yeah, the truth is though, if there was a puppy, let's be honest, loyalty out the door. Oh, look at how she said she got a puppy. Oh, now it's my fault. It's always my fault. Jerome will definitely snag the watch. Yeah, no, I would not trust Jerome. I had to get a safe. I had to get a safe for my Pokemon cards. I swear to God, for real. Because I was worried about Jerome trying to take my Pokemon cards. Look, don't tell nobody. I got a Pokemon safe. That's my safe for my Pokemon cards. Look at that. That's my safe right there. You can't even see it. It's so beautiful. I got all my Pokemon cards in it. I got my Pokemon cards in the safe. All right, well, I think D-Money's climbing down the roof right now. He'll be down here soon. We're gonna get this party started real soon. All hail the BDH, YouTube's finest channel. Well, you know, I don't want to toot my own horn, but he said it. Come to Cali, we have bully puppies. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sounds scareable. Ginger is corruptible with the puppy. Damn it. Someone's gonna show up to the BDH now with a puppy, distract Ginger, and then rob the place. She won't even know what happened. She's gonna come back inside, everything's gonna be gone. She'll be too worried about playing with the puppy. Patrick, why are the commissions so high at Warbucks for stock trading? These are stocks. These are not stocks. Crystal, why are commissions so high? I mean, I don't know. Everybody wants, Patrick, why is this? I don't know, man. I truly don't know what to tell you. I'm looking right now. Like, what was my commissions yesterday? Like, I don't think the commissions were that crazy, were they? I don't know. Doesn't even fucking... Yeah, I don't know. So yesterday, these are my commissions yesterday. Right, I was trading NVIDIA. So 250 shares was a $10 commission. 200 shares, $8 commission. For 100 shares of NVIDIA, it was $4 in commission. So... yeah, I think it's $1 per lot. Or, well, I don't know. So 200 was $8 in commission. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that Yeah. Expensive for, I mean, how do you make it even cheaper? Like, I mean, it's, so I spent $10 in commission and made $200 profit. On this trade right here, I spent $6 in commission, right? If you look down here, I had 150 shares. I made $335 and I paid $4 in commissions. I mean, I don't think that's bad, to be honest. Right? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. I mean, the thing too is, like, I think people really forget at the end of the day, right? At the end of the day, for $36, you can start trading equities, right? There's nowhere else on the planet. There's nowhere else, like literally nowhere else on this fucking planet where for $36 you can start trading, right? I mean, that's just like, that's the truth. So, I don't know. And right now, the 50K account is on sale. It's $199. Normally, it's $240. So you get an additional discount. Enter the code BDH. There's a box. Let me see. Fuck. Is that my god? Fuck. Did it again. I always do that. Oh, I think it wasn't there. My thing was not there. I thought that my address was gonna show up there, but luckily it did not. So for the 50K account, you can go down here. Oh, right here. For the special equities discount. What is that? The fuck? Put your email. I gotta fill out all this, but there's two boxes down at the bottom. Right, there's two boxes. It's right now. Okay, I gotta enter all that, but yeah, there's two boxes down at the bottom. Put in that code BDH for the 50K account and sign up there with Warbucks. So let's get ready for market to open up here. DMoney is about to be off the roof. DMoney! DMoney, are you down? I gotta go get him real quick. Be right back. He's up on the roof. Let me go yell at him one more time. DMoney! 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 Oh my god, it's gonna rain out there. I wonder if he knows. Yeah, there's like, it's looking really stormy out there. I don't know if DMoney's gonna be able to get off the roof right now. It looks like it's gonna be lightning soon. He's gotta stay up there, make sure the satellites don't get hit by lightning. We're gonna have to just run this stream without him. We're gonna have to run it without him, chat. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm still here. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. So good. You gotta love that. You gotta love. I was literally like, I'm like, not financial advice, not financial. I wasn't even looking, and all of a sudden I was like, oh, instantly feel it. I was like, not financial advice. DMoney! Where are you? It's a storm! DMoney, get off the roof! DMoney! It's time to go live! Get down here! No, get down D-Money's stuck on the roof. Hold on 1 second, chat. Hold on.
People think I get all the time. Yeah, they're right. I get whenever I want.
Nah, man, nobody likes it slow. I like to get fast.
I've gotten in my bed, in the office, and one time in a car.
My boys and I got last week. What? Not at the same time?
Of course we get every now and again. It's good for us, especially at our age.
Yeah, it is.
You guys are getting How?
Get funded today with Warbucks. It's trade.
Sorry about that. I don't know what that was, chat. That was weird. That was weird. I did not make that. Marketing made that. It was inappropriate. Something about getting beep. I don't even know, chat. I don't even know what's going on. Sorry, D-Money, he's still on the fucking roof right now. I can't get him off there. The guy is addicted to the satellites. It's the weirdest thing. I told him, I was like, you don't have to do that. He's like, no, I like to get it just right, because when he's trading, he wants to make sure that the market and everything's lined up beautifully. So give him a couple more minutes. He'll be down here in a second, and we'll get this party going. Hey, D-Money, why are you here? You got blue, dog. D-Money blue.
Oh, man. Good morning. We back.
Get off the roof so quick.
Oh, man. I teleported down here.
How many satellites you got up there right now?
There's a couple.
Yeah.
They keep every week there's another one. I don't know who's adding satellites to adjust.
I mean, just, we were, when we first started the BDH, I was always worried that the internet would cut out. So I wanted to get more satellite backup. But
man.
I think we're good now.
Good morning, chat.
Did you hear the news? Warbucks right now, $199 for a 50K account.
Cray. Yeah.
Cray with the little Ray.
Cray with little Ray.
Man.
Can't beat it, guys. I actually did a repost on my X account.
Oh,
so,
shit.
You guys probably saw that already.
You got an X account? What do you do on there?
Oh, yeah. I just post and
It's like
20, hey, that's 24 hours, by the way, guys. You got 24,
you got 24 hours?
Yeah, 24
hours
only.
for the satellite to reset?
No, for the 50K at 199.
Oh man. All right, well, we love to see it. Getting ready for market open. What are you looking at, D? Other than the satellites?
I mean, you had a crazy range yesterday, guys, right? We know that obviously PW killed it yesterday in the afternoon with the crazy pop going into the close.
Killed it all day yesterday.
Cray, little Ray. But you had a crazy range on the daily candle, right? So you had a daily candle. Huge range, guys. We normally don't. I mean, we haven't seen this in a while.
That was a freaky looking daily. It took out the previous day, the last 2 day lows, and then spiked all the way. I don't even know. I was looking at it earlier. Where's this? I mean, are we prime for fucking all time highs?
That's what it's looking like, right? That's what it's feeling like. 700-point range basically on yesterday's daily candle chat. So we're hanging out above it, right? We're currently at 25,671. So you got to feel, you have to be bullish, right? Because there's a lot of momentum right now to the upside. It's crazy. Now the question is going to be, where could we head on the higher time frame if that's going to continue? So if you look at the daily chart, you look at the 4-hour charts, it's clear, a little bit clearer on the daily chart, to be honest, guys. 26,040 would be, let me map this out really quick on my chart. So you do have a resistance area kind of sitting up here. 26,025 is the high of it on the daily chart. So that could be the next level of interest. We get above there, you're talking 26,350 area, guys. So there's a lot more room to the upside, right? The question is going to be, will we get some kind of retracement kind of going into, because we're already pumping, right? Current daily candle's already up well over 100 plus points to the upside. Got a very small bottom wick on the daily candle, but that does not mean that the momentum has to die out and we just automatically flush Magush to the downside, right? So just kind of keep that in mind. So I'm bullish right now. If we go into the open and we can respect basically these EMAs, because it's pretty nice structure on the 15-minute chart. So I see higher highs, higher lows being put in. Right now we're kind of hanging out right above the 14 EMA, 25,664. So that level needs to be maintained, right? So that 664 kind of area, if we can kind of hold that, get back above 682, then you're targeting 724 or higher.
Are you worried about these last 2 hourly candles having those big wicks on the top of them right now? That last one closed pretty Pretty wicky.
Yeah. So that
Keep
high
capping that 25,700 level.
Yep. So that high was put in. And to your point, we've had a couple. It's a little strange, guys, because even though we've had those long wicks, we still were able to put in obviously the higher highs, right? So the uptrend is still intact. If we can hold, look at the previous candle's low on the 1 hour chart, right? 25,657 area. That low needs to be basically, I guess, it needs to stay intact short term for the uptrend to continue, right? So if we lose that low, then we could be headed down to lower 600s, and then maybe we get some kind of push to the upside. So we'll see. We'll see how we open up, guys, right? That's the thing. We had red folder. PW kind of covered that earlier, right? So today you had the core PPI and PPI at 8:30. It looks like today at 9:45 and 10:15 we got 2 FOMC speakers coming up, and a couple more throughout the day today. It's loaded actually today with FOMC speakers, guys, throughout the day. So let's see how we open up, chat. That's the question, right? Will we maybe get some kind of retracement at open and then a continuation to the upside? We're going to find out. Either way, we're going to try to join the momentum wherever it is, right? Whether to the upside or downside, we will see. Flush bagush, yeah. That's just my term for kind of like a sell-off, right? Pretty drastic sell-off.
Grandpa over there. Flush my gush.
Flush my gush.
Little Ray Ray.
Oh, man.
Little Ray Ray. All right. Well, I mean, hey, I like it. I think get some good volatility today here. Hopefully, we got crude oil, kind of a triple bottom right now at the 96 area. Just kind of holding up. Man, I was thinking about that last night, and I was like, man, oh man, imagine you get short at Sunday's high on oil at the 105 level. You ride that motherfucker down to 96. You get long on the NASDAQ. That would have been some real fucking big brain type shit right there, boys. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Not me. Oh.
Do us a solid, guys. We got to get can we get to 1,000 likes before 9:30? So we're hanging out. It looks like 558 likes on the stream. So we're gonna ramp up here.
I think I just found my new cards to start collecting.
Yeah.
You ready? Check these bad boys out. The Moon Fairies. Bella, Sarah, Scoot. Guys, for 48 bucks, I can buy the almost complete, mint complete edition of these cards. They'll be worth millions one day. Look at them things. For only $48.
Oh man.
I'm gonna get DMoney some new cards. DMoney's gonna start collecting the Moon Fairies. Gonna start collecting them. Look at those things. They're mint condition, chat. They gotta be worth something. Mint condition. Moon Fairies. Oh, was it weird? Not like not trading yesterday afternoon? What'd you do?
Oh yeah. Ran some errands.
You better went to the fucking basketball court. Have you tried on those shoes yet?
Yeah, I tried
Do they
them.
work?
Oh yeah, they work. Yeah, but so there's I went on YouTube and
like a
pulled up
how-to
the old
video?
video. Oh yeah, they got the videos. Like they got the workout videos, guys. It looks a little strange because yeah, you got to start laughing.
Oh man, what are those things called?
Jump soles.
Jump soles.
Yeah.
We're gonna be DMoney at the. They're gonna be DMoney at the fucking at the what do you call it, at the park soon. Jump soles.
They got the workout.
There we go. That's
Yeah, I'm
DMoney.
telling
He's at LA Fitness getting in every day with his
guys.
jump soles. It's hilarious. This is actually DMoney.
Skipping with jump soles.
Skipping with jump soles. Dude, have you? This is level 1. Level 1, sir. Look at these guys. That's DMoney, dude. Come on. You know that's DMoney. DMoney! What are you doing on there?
Oh man, I'm getting to hey.
Bounding. You gotta do one of these. This is level 2, sir.
Bound forward with both feet together. Leap into the next jump immediately after landing.
Look at that. DMoney, this is an old video of you. This is from 15 years ago.
That's when I was in my prime.
Double 180 turns. Are you doing the double 180 turns, sir?
No.
Get ready for double. Oh, bro, you're gonna be able to jump so high when you're done with these things. DMoney is out there every day training with these new jump soles. Chat, look at him. This is a video from of him 15 years ago. That is not me with him, by the way. I would never wear those. I would never do this ever. Side cone jumps. You got them. I just love that there's a whole thing about this. Like,
yeah, oh yeah, it's legit. I'm
side
guys,
cone
they,
jumps.
They
Come
work.
on, guys.
They work, chat.
DMoney's
I'm
ready.
telling you, they work. People
Dude,
might not
you're gonna
believe
get
it.
So jacked.
People might not believe it, but they actually work, chat.
Man, you guys all be thinking about what DMoney does when he's not here at the BDH. Now we know. Now we know. Oh, bro, you gotta do one of these. The death jumps. Look at this guy. He's just jumping off there. Oh. You do some of these?
Like, the funny thing is, chat, is that people walk by and they look at you weird because they're like, what is this guy? Like, what is this guy doing?
What is this guy?
And like
rim jumps. All right, so you gotta start doing some rim jumps.
Oh, man.
Does he touch the rim? Oh, can you do that? You
yeah,
can't
you
do
like
that.
touching it. You
Can't.
touching
You can touch it like that.
Nah, no, the rim like that? Oh, no. 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 I need more running. I got to do a running start to get up there.
Forward plyo ball throw. Which was this? Oh, this is definitely DMoney. Oh my God, look at him. Bro, DMoney gonna be doing this. Backward. Yeah, I'm dying right now. We don't even need a day trade today, chat. I'm just gonna watch this. Oh, DMoney, you gotta go backwards, bro. Are you watching this form? Look at this. You gotta bend your knees. You gotta throw it back and then jump. That actually looks pretty hard to jump backwards like that.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Are you ready for this?
I'm telling you.
It's time to train, my friend.
Hey,
We got to put a date on this. Like, right now, it is April 14th.
Yeah.
At what date are we doing this fucking, you know?
So it depends more on your schedule as far
My
as
schedule?
what you got going on. Yeah.
You just tell me when you're ready. Like,
it's
how
gonna
long
be
do
in
you
May.
need?
It's going to be in May.
Chad, how long does DMoney need? It's going to be in May?
Yeah. It's going to be in May.
Why May?
For sure. Because that's about a month. You know, I need about a month.
Okay, about a month.
Need about 4 weeks to kind of get my legs ready, chat.
All right. I like it.
Somebody said 2 years. Uncle Tim.
Man, Tim, why you going to do him like that?
Oh,
why
man.
you going to do him like that?
Wow. Guys, I thought you guys were supportive. Man, it's cray with Lil Ray.
Got to throw a BDH convention, somebody said in the chat. I don't know if the world's ready for a BDH convention. Bro needs 3 months and 2 prayers. Hamstring. DMoney gonna be walking into the BDH one day all fucking crippled looking. I'm like, what's wrong with you? I tore my hamstring. I ripped my hamstring, ripped my Achilles heel, ripped everything. Oh. He needs enough time to grow to 6 feet tall. You need to start Pilates. There you go, D.
Now that, yeah.
I mean, I'm not going to lie. There's definitely some cuties at Pilates, you know.
It's hard, though, right?
What?
It's hard.
It's
hard to do.
It's hard if you're fucking a pussy.
It's not easy. Heard it's not easy, man.
I mean, it's not hard. I mean, it's just Pilates. I mean, you know, you just got to show them who's boss. BW, do you go to Pilates? Yeah, I go to Pilates. I am ripped. I got a video to prove it. Look, this morning I was literally there. 6 a.m., baby. 6 a.m. Feeling pretty, so pretty. Look at me. Let's get ready. Oh, I'm pretty much a Pilates master. Look at this. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can do jumping jacks. I can do it all. Oh god, my feet were getting sweaty.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta change up a little bit.
Yeah, I could do that.
You can't do that. You can't do that.
I can do that.
DMoney be dying.
That's easy, right
We're gonna
there.
live stream DMoney at Pilates doing jumping jacks.
Yeah, I can do jumping
No,
jacks.
you can't do jumping jacks. Why are you lying? You gotta do one of these.
Wait till
These are,
wait till we get on the
get a
court.
little-
We're gonna show.
Ooh.
We gotta show PW guys.
Ooh. Don't look at my dick, everybody.
That's
God,
that's
you
easy right
weirdos.
there. So I'm talking about the whole like, you know, I'm talking about the whole like the form and all that stuff when you're doing these.
Yeah.
Yeah, that right there is easy. I mean, I do.
Okay.
Guys, I
I
got.
was at the end of the class, sir. When you ready for it? All right. Hey,
We
when
gotta
you want to
go
go?
there. Yeah, we gotta
Anytime
go
you
one
wanna
day.
go, you let me know.
We gotta go one day.
Anytime you want to know.
Jennifer is saying that is easy.
Little Ray Ray said
That
they can
and-
watch
and
that all
yoga.
day. Let's
Okay.
go. Little Ray Ray, I like you. Putting you in the fucking, you getting a free account.
Oh man.
Somebody give Little Ray Ray a free account. I like that comment. Could watch that all day, he said. I like it. All right. We're getting ready for market open up. I got some Lucid funded accounts here. I'm going to try to make some money today. We got to try to get some, I got to make some money with some Take Profit Trader accounts too. We're going to try to have some fun here today, chat. Make some money. We got about 9 minutes here till market open. 9 minutes. Just enough time for DMoney to go do a little workout real quick. Do a little workout. All right. If I look at this right now, what I would love to see is a pullback.
Yeah. Starting to get a little bit of it right now. 5-minute chart.
Kind of like if we could almost like dip down here, like take out 600 real quick and then rip right back up, you know, like one of those like ning. Want to see that reaction to the downside. So we got the overnight high so far, 720 level. That was when we had some data come out. PPI number came out there at 8:30. So we'll see what happens. Getting ready. Market open. Anything's possible. Anything is possible. We'll see what happens. Kind of keeping an eye on NVIDIA and kind of see what happens with NVIDIA again today. Probably try to trade that a little bit, but we'll focus on NASDAQ here at open, and then we'll hit it. We'll hit it when it gets the right opportunity for NVIDIA. NVIDIA kind of gapping up here a little bit today, so got to be patient. See what happens. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. I got a little secret video for you.
People think I get all the time. Yeah, they're right. I get whenever I want.
Nah, man, nobody likes it slow. I like to get fast.
I've gotten in my bed, in the office, and one time in a car.
My boys and I got last week. What? Not at the same time?
Of course we get every now and again. It's good for us, especially at our age.
Yeah, it is.
You guys are getting how?
Get funded today with Warbucks. It's trader fun.
Man, D, did you write that script for that video?
No, but
D-Money wrote that script, I tell you. I was like, it's a little provocative, but whatever you're into, D.
oh man.
Crazy like that. All right, we got less than 7 minutes here till market opens. I'm going to go to the little bathroom. Tell us what level we're looking at, D.
So it's gonna be a little interesting here, guys. You got a bit of a pullback, right? So we just got a bit of a pullback. Question is, will we get a deeper one right at 9:30? So gonna be a little curious to see how this kind of plays out. So we're hanging out right at the 14 EMA. We haven't had a candle that closed below the 14 EMA on the 15-minute chart since 6:30 this morning, guys, right? So just kind of being mindful of that we've had a lot of upside, kind of like momentum retracements, and then more basically higher highs being put in. So I'm kind of curious to see here, right? So how this kind of plays out. So if we can hold a 14 EMA, 25,665, maybe we'll get a pop here, kind of back up to the upper 700s. If we get a flush to the lower, PW kind of called out that 600 level, maybe we get a retracement down there very quickly, and then you get a continuation to the upside. Who knows? But we'll kind of see how this thing opens up, right? So if the momentum, if we get in the next 5 minutes, who knows, right? Hopefully we'll get a deeper pullback, and then maybe kind of like at open, we'll get some continuation up.
By the way, that's not an AI video. Those are all real people.
Everybody thinks
it's not AI, I promise you. It is
Crazy.
legitimately real people. But they're just saying I got funded. You know, they're not actually saying I got fucked. So that was a fast bathroom trip. I mean, Go and pee, bro. What do you have to sit down when you pee and then wipe and all that? Like, what do you do when you pee? Just little, I can't even make the noise, but you know what I mean. What are the indicators that I'm currently using on the screen? So you're seeing the 15-minute range from yesterday right now, kind of giving us those numbers, which is funny because, well, that 15 from the 15-minute range yesterday did act as resistance here today. So hope you washed them hands. Yeah, I washed my hands after I fucked your mom last night. Shut up. God, the chat is insane. I don't even touch my dick when I pee. It's the weirdest thing. It's so big, I just literally pull my pants down. It just flops out. I pee, and then I just pull my pants back up. You guys got to work on it. You got to work on it, chat. You got to get that growth. Get the growth.
Do us a solid, guys. We're almost at 1,000 likes, so we got to keep the streak alive, right? We got 912 likes. It's 926. Can we get above 1,000 before 9:30?
Someone says they play with their little Ray Ray in the bathroom.
Oh,
hey.
man.
Wait, you call your dick little Ray Ray? That's kind of weird,
man.
bro. That's a
great.
little weird.
That's crazy.
Calling your dick another dude's name. That's weird, man. That is weird. Hair Shell says too early for this. I mean, you know, men are always horny. Thinking about the little Ray Rays. Spray with little Ray Ray.
spray. Oh, man.
Oh, man. Too early for this. Too early for this, chat. Too early for this.
1,100 likes. We appreciate the support, guys. Gotta love it.
All right. Well, we're getting ready for market open. It's time. Right now, Warbucks, 24 hours. Use the code BDH on the 50K equities accounts. It's happening. $199. $199. That's the best deal you're ever going to get from Warbucks. If you're interested in trading equities, it's time. You can sign up today. Over $500,000 paid out. Let's go. You can sign up to get a free account there every day as well. You can see the payouts, the accounts down there, all that fun stuff. Check it out, warbucksbtc.com. We're getting ready for market to open. It's happening. Look at this thing. Would you just look at it? It's party time. Down there to the 650s, right back up right now, huh? Yeah. You got about 2 minutes here till market opens. 2 minutes. Oh, it's kind of a tricky spot because it's like...
Yeah, is that enough of a retest?
Is that? I don't think that's not enough.
Right. So
that's a scare. Like also like the bottom of these two candles there. You know that ain't gonna be the bottom, right? Like it's just like you know they're gonna try to fuck with that. You know they're gonna try to look at that straight back up now. 650s, 670s. Gotta love that. Gotta love it. We're getting ready for a market open here, boys. It's time to partay. Drink some Bacardi. All right. We got less than a minute. It's happening. It's absolutely happening right now. Nvidia pushing. Classic. We got less than a minute now. Less than a minute. Are you going to trade stocks today? I'm keeping an eye on Nvidia right now. Looking for a long on Nvidia. But if not, well, we'll take, obviously... take the trade here on Trade Debate as well. We're getting ready. Market open up. It's time. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. DMoney already said it. He already said it. You want to win with the BDH, you got to follow, subscribe, hit the like button, all that fun stuff. What's the leverage with trading stocks on Warbucks? 2 to 1, 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 2 to 1. All right, baby. I'm trying to make some money. Miguel said, how's your morning going? A little to the left, a little to the right. We make a little bit of money. What are my predictions? I would like to see a move down here, to be honest. Just to kind of give a trap. Because right now, it's like if we pop straight up, then I'd be worried that we're going to pull back. So it's like, I'd like to see that first initial move to be to the downside.
To the downside, yeah.
Right? So let's go. Oh, yep, there we go. JK. JK stocks. JK. JK. Where the fuck is Nvidia trading at? the fuck? Am I retarded right now? It's not even showing up on here. Right now, the NASDAQ just holding up there.
Yeah.
Fuck. There's literally like, there's no wick there, nothing. We're like stuck below the 700 level, but is market just gonna bull out? There's no wick. They're gonna yank it down.
Pretty
Yeah,
solid.
there's something going on with the Warbucks Equities, the platform right now. I don't see it moving. I'm gonna try a long here with the stop below 680s. Let's see if we're gonna pay the price for FOMOing in or if we're gonna get paid for FOMOing. And we're looking for a move above 722s there. So there's that 710. We want to see 722s quickly. No hesitation here. We don't want it to slow down. We want it go, go, go. What are you looking at, D? Talk to me, baby. I don't like when you're quiet.
Yeah, so it's pretty strong. It looks bullish. So I like longs here as well, to be honest. So because we were able to, we had a retracement. Previous 5-minute candle.
Going for the 18, 718. We're still pushing.
Yeah, I'm in the long as well. So we were able to take out guys 680. That was the level that I was kind of saying, right? That on the 5-minute chart, you wanted us to basically get back above 680, that 680 level for longs. And now we're looking at above 720.
There we go.
Previous candle size.
Took a long from 98 up there to the 718s, trying to go over this high from that data candle PPI numbers. So congratulations, easy 20 points right there. I said it was, you know, just one of those setups where obviously we wanted more pullback, but
yeah, but
sometimes you just get that strength and you don't get the pullback on that initial move. Right now, I think it's totally fine to be patient, kind of see what forms here, let it build out a little better, but just kind of playing into that opening momentum, right?
Yeah.
The first 5-minute candle straight up still.
Yeah, somebody's saying strong resistance. I mean, you gotta be honest though that we've been trending here to the upside, chat, right? You've had higher highs and higher lows. If you look at the 15-minute chart, it's pretty clear. So when I saw that 915 candle close bearish, and then this current candle was able to get back above 682, that's bullish, guys.
Up there through the 720s now.
Yeah, we're gonna pop
buddy.
that. Yeah, we're trying to pop.
I'm looking here at Nvidia. Nvidia's all like, look at that massive push at open. You gotta love that. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like, if I'm gonna get long here on Nvidia, kind of, fuck.
5-minute ORB. It's gonna be set here, guys, in about 50 seconds, right? So pretty aggressive bullish momentum candle. You gotta admit that, right? We haven't seen. That's a decent size candle. There you go, more upside. We just popped that previous high that was sitting there.
I'm gonna try a short here on Nvidia for just a quick scalp to the downside. Some pullback here, right? Would make sense. Like, give me a quick $100. See if we get like maybe pull back like 191s, but a lot of strength here for now. Stop loss is above this high here. Take profit, like we'll be down to like in this area.
All right, so NQ, guys, broke above the ORB high, 727.50. So you're targeting, you can be targeting to be honest, up here towards 800 level. That's the next level that would be an area of interest. So a lot of momentum on the upside within Q guys right now. There's 740. So you had a nice pop above that 727 level RB high. You had about a 20-point pop there above it. Now, keep in mind, if you look at the higher time frame chart, the level that I have mapped out up here is 25,880 to 26,015, guys. Could be a level of interest if we really get moving here, right? So let's see how this kind of plays out. This would be the first candle that closes above the ORB high. If it can close above there, you still got 3 minutes and 50 seconds, but nice push above it.
All right, I'm trying to get NVIDIA to pull back here. See if we get this little dip, and I'll just take it for an easy... Maybe. Oh.
Finance Farms.
There we go. Locked in $100 there on NVIDIA. Real easy. Kind of just thinking that we get a pullback. It might pull back some more. 191 would be a good target. Even 190 maybe on NVIDIA. So we take a little short there. Locked in a quick $100 there on the Warbucks accounts. Still going, baby. Where are we looking? NASDAQ up there, 733s.
Mm-hmm. So Finance Farms, we're not a signal service, right? So, but
What's he saying?
Yeah, he's saying he wish somebody would have told him to get long.
Finance, you motherfucker! I swear to God, are you fucking serious? I'm gonna come to your house and beat the shit out of you. Where do you live? I'm coming to your house. You're so fucking retarded. I literally, guys, I got long.
It's crazy.
And had it on the screen.
It's crazy.
I literally had it on the screen. What do you want me to do? Well, like, what do they want?
Nah.
I said I'm
always,
getting long.
Yeah, it's always crazy.
I wish somebody would have told us to get long. Like,
Yeah.
what?
And I literally just talked about the break of the ORB high as well for another long, guys. I mean, hey, you got to do some work on your part. You got to put some effort in, man.
You can't. Someone said they can't stand PW. Then why the fuck are you watching, you dumb? Oh, I swear to God.
Oh, my goodness.
Guys, I am literally here making money live on YouTube with you guys. I'm literally employing DMoney to be live here every day to help you guys. And this is what you do? You come to the stream and you say that you don't like me? You fucking, it's insanity. It blows my fucking mind, man. Insane. NASDAQ still pushing. Insanity. Like, I don't know what they, you know what they want us to do? They want us to sit here and just like not do anything. And just be like, okay, guys, so here we are. We're looking at the chart.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. It's crazy. I don't get into it. I don't get into it.
Yeah, it's not even.
I literally make more money than everybody in the chat combined. Everybody in the chat combined, I make more money than them, and I gotta listen to fucking idiots in the chat tell me that I don't know what I'm doing. I don't tell Patrick. You never tell us.
It's crazy.
You never tell us. Insanity.
So you're getting so you got about a minute left on the current 5-minute chart, guys. We're hanging out above the ORB high, 5-minute ORB high, 25,727.
Oil's selling off still.
Yeah, so if that's so PW makes a good point. So if oil's selling off, guys, make no mistake about it, you could get some continuation here on
oil
NQ.
broke that
See how
kind of
this
triple
plays out.
bottom from the overnight. I still think we're very primed for a pullback here, right? I'm looking at NVIDIA. Look at NVIDIA right now, right? NVIDIA, that short is still printing, by the way. If you took a short up there at the 193 area earlier, well, congratulations, absolutely printing right now. Trading stocks on Warbucks. You could buy a 50K account, 199 right now. Look at that, it's still going.
Yeah.
And the people be like, "But you never tell us." I couldn't have made it any more clear. I said, hey, I think NVIDIA pulls back here. I'm taking a short. And look, it's still going. I could have just sat in that and kept it going. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. She's still going. So now it's just let that 15-minute range set up.
Yeah, be patient.
Is what I'd be looking for, right? Ideally.
Pretty strong candle right now on the 15-minute chart, guys. Right, so that could change, obviously, because we have over 4 minutes left. But it's a pretty strong bullish candle that has currently basically swiped the last 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 5 15-minute candles highs, guys, right, in one candle. So just kind of keep that in mind that there's a lot of momentum there. We know that that could change, though, in 4 minutes with NQ. So let it kind of map it out, right? Map out your 15-minute ORB. If you caught the long, congrats off of the 5-minute break to the upside, but now you're back inside of the 5-minute range. So now it's just time to be patient. See how this plays out. Do us a solid if you haven't already, guys. Hit the like button. We're hanging out at 1,300 likes. It's only 9:41. Got to keep the streak alive. We hit 3,000 likes yesterday, guys, and right now we have almost 6,000 people tuned into the show. So do us a solid, hit the like button.
Someone goes, PW, I just got engaged. Damn, bro. So you're off the market?
Hey,
I can no longer date you?
Congrats.
Are we breaking up? Would you guys do a meet and greet? No, because I would just end up getting in a fight with everybody at the meet and greet because they'd all be asking me stupid fucking questions. God!
Oh, man.
I couldn't do a meet and greet. The chat would go, I would kill myself in real life. I'd just commit suicide. Fuck. Just jump off the fucking BDH. Everyone, look, what's Patrick doing over there? Just, I'm done. Can't do it anymore. I wish PW would just email his positions to us.
Yeah.
Email on the way. Get ready. I'm putting out an email right now. DMoney can do a meet and greet. I don't know. He's worried because he thinks Big Brawly Man's going to show up and molest him.
Yeah, we can't have Big Brawly showing up, guys.
He's a little guy, man. He's worried. Big Brawly going to...
Look at this momentum here,
Oh,
guys.
my Lord. Okay. Wow. One of those days, huh? Just no stopping. Watching here. I'm going to try and see if we get this continuation through the 750s there next. Kind of an early 15-minute range breakout, but let's see if we can get the push straight up through that 750s. We are long, by the way. This might be a good time to not follow me, but obviously not financial advice. A broken clock is right twice a day. This could be the lucky trade of the day here. Let's see if we get paid. Looking for this push up through the 750s. We got a pivot point all the way up there, 795s. Doable, so... I am long, chat. I want everybody to agree that they understand that this is a long position. I am in a trade right now. I am in a fucking trade in this very moment right now. Look at this. I am in the trade. It is going up. It is going down. Look, I am long from 38s. Now everybody knows. No excuses, DMoney. I don't want to hear no excuses.
Yeah, no excuses.
No excuses.
It's crazy, man.
All right, well, I got long and the market stopped moving. Gotta love it. Can't make this shit up. First time watching. Maybe the last time watching, Roanoke. Someone says long is good, wink wink. Why is the wink? What's the wink wink mean?
Yeah, what's the wink?
What are you winking? What are you winking at? What are you winking at, sir? Why are you winking at us? What's the wink for? I might just take it there to the 48s, take another 10 points. If it keeps getting stuck there for now, it'll probably pop up once I get filled.
Yeah.
But I'm okay with it.
Long as well.
There's the pop.
So let's see if I can get a little bit more.
Someone says, PW, whenever I trade, it goes the exact opposite. But whenever you go into a trade, it goes up. Wait, someone said great call, DMoney? What the fuck? Patrick, let DMoney trade. D, you're not allowed to trade, sir.
Know,
Close
right?
your eyes.
I know, right?
Close your eyes, D.
I know.
You guys all know that me and DMoney trade exactly the same.
We trade exactly the same, guys.
We're
I like the long there as well.
We're gonna trade the same fucking setups.
It's crazy.
I'm just more aggressive sometimes.
Yep, facts. So, yeah, guys, I like the long there as well. I capitalized on the long too. So, hey, this is what I wanted to say, guys. I wanted to wait until we had pretty much like we typically peak around this time. We're right at 6,000 viewers.
Right are you having a moment? Is this happening? Do I need to get ready for this?
So, this is what I wanted to say, guys.
Get ready,
I was reflecting last night.
Ooh.
Right. So
I'm excited.
I got to say this, guys, in all honesty, right? So I got to make sure that I give flowers where flowers are due, chat.
Okay.
So I wanted to you know, and I say this all the time, but I wanted to appreciate PW, guys. And the reason why is because not just a boss, chat. So obviously he's my boss, and I respect him from that standpoint. But also I consider him a friend, guys. And the reason why is because not just him offering me an opportunity to be here, because he didn't have to do that, guys. The BDH is the BDH. I was watching PW for over 2 years, kill it, and somebody that I looked up to in the future space and streaming in general. So for him to take a chance on somebody, guys, that never live streamed before, in all actuality, he took a chance on me, chat. I don't take that for granted. And I had a moment of reflection last night, and I consider him a boss and a friend, chat. So I definitely wanted to make sure. I think it's important to give people their flowers, not just when things are good or bad, but when it kind of crosses your mind, give them their flowers, guys. Don't wait for crazy opportunities or somebody to give you something or whatever the case may be. I got to give him his flowers, chat. He took a chance on me, and he allowed me to be a part of the BDH, and I consider him a friend. Honestly, I do. So not just a boss. Because at the end of the day, he is the boss, guys, and I don't have an issue with that. I appreciate him for taking a chance on somebody that never live streamed before. You guys got to think about that. How many people would do that, chat? How many people would put somebody on their channel and allow them to actually kind of find their way in the streaming world? Because I've never done this before. I mean, like, I'm just keeping it real, chat. So I wanted to wait until we got to max viewership pretty much today to give you your flowers, man. So
well, I do, I want to make something very clear too, right? Is if I wasn't fully confident in, if I didn't believe in DMoney, right? Like if I truly, like, to be honest, like there was a point where I was like, I told Alex, I told, my friend, partners and stuff, business partner, and I was like, man, like, is DMoney going to be able to fucking carry the boat? It's a lot of pressure, right? Like you come in here, like it's a lot. Like you gotta show up, you gotta put up, you gotta put on the work, you gotta do it every day. Yeah. I mean, a lot of people don't understand. Like, it's one thing to have one good trade, right? Monday you have one good trade. Tuesday, it's like every day you gotta have a good trade, right? Because nobody cares. Like yesterday, I got 80 points. At 350,
which is crazy.
But nobody gives a fuck because it's like it's done. They want what's now. What do you have now? Give us more. Give us more. So streaming is very, very demanding, right? Especially when you're in this limelight. Like it'd be one thing if you were streaming on your own channel and you had 20 viewers, right? Because then it's all fun. Everyone's like nice and they're all like supportive. But here it's like not only do you get support, but you get all the people that want to see us lose, right? We have people across the board, not even people in public, but people behind the scenes. I hear about it, right? I hear from all the other, companies and people. They're like, man, these other affiliates, they'll do anything they can to kind of tattletale. They always like, oh, DMoney, Patrick, everybody wants to like see us fail. And the best part is like, I've been doing this now for 8 years and I just keep winning, right? Like I have not made less money. Every single year of my life since the day that I was fucking born, I have made more money. So I think that is a testament to the truth that like you just got to keep working. You got to keep going. You got to keep grinding no matter what it is. So shout out to DMoney. He could have easily folded under the pressure, but I knew he wouldn't. Right? I truly knew that DMoney would. I didn't know exactly what was gonna happen, but I was like, it'll be fun, right? Like we'll all figure out a way. But I've tried to kind of be hands off and kind of let you do your thing, right? I'm like, hey, you gotta figure out your own style. You gotta figure out your own comedy. You gotta kind of figure out. I still try to give you advice here and there, but it's only gonna get better. I mean, I can't even imagine like doing what you did, going from like 8 years ago. If I would have just like walked in here and started day trading live on YouTube with 5,000 people watching. I mean, when I first started streaming, I had like 100 people watching. Right? Like 100 people that were all my fans. I didn't have one hater because they were all like, these are the people that found me. Like we had a little community, right? And it was like,
I could, for the ride.
I was making $100 a day and they were like, man, you're so good. I'm like, yeah, bro, we're making $100. Like that was cool, right? Like to make $100 a day. NASDAQ, I mean, this is kind of giving us continuation vibes, right? Like, it wants to go.
This is what I was kind of saying pre-market, guys. There's a lot of bullish momentum, right? And right now they refuse to. Doesn't mean that we can't flush to the downside, but right now that's not the case, right? On the higher, if you look at the 1 hour chart right now, it's extremely bullish. You got 9 minutes, a little bit over 9 minutes left.
I'm watching the 750 area. Just let everyone know now in case it pops. I want to maybe take a 750 to like 780 push.
Yeah,
just
or
to, like,
800. Yeah.
try to get this break through the 15-minute range. Kind of high. What do we got? It's 950. So this is kind of going into the hourly candle close, right? That could be the blow off kind of top setup. Let's see what happens. She's holding right there. 750s again. Tap, tap, tapping. But if you're wondering, like, why am I waiting for 750? Well, because we got stuck there on this last candle, and I know that, like, for us to go higher, we've obviously got to break this candle high.
Yeah.
So mentally, it's like, well, I might as well just wait. We got 5 seconds on this candle. And the thing is, if let's say the next candle just like pops straight through there, I don't want that. I want this right here. Like, I want a little wick. Because if that candle just like pops straight through 750, then I'd be like, oh fuck, it's gonna pull back, you know? Like, there's the 750 break. Let's see if we get the continuation here. Oh. Stop is below this last candle. And like I said, we're just kind of targeting up here, the 60s. Don't be greedy today. We're up at this top of this range. So we'll see what happens. 760 area should be a pretty easy target. We're not going for a big trade here. That might have been the 10 points. Let's see. I got close. I think we get a little bit more. We got a little bit more here. Come on. Get this 5-minute candle just opened up. Still holding up there. Get through this 60 area. We are long, by the way. Anybody in the chat that's wondering, I am long, just in case you're wondering. Just in case you're wondering, I am long right now. We want to see if we get this continuation. Heart White said, I'm back. Did we enter? No, we did not enter. This is... Don't look at the screen, whatever you do. Sometimes I wonder, are they looking at the screen? Are people looking at the screen right now?
I don't think they.
I don't think they are. They must be like, they're looking at something else.
They're looking at yeah. It's like crazy.
They'd be like, oh no, I just looking. I'm reading the chat. I don't actually look at the live stream. All right, this is that make or break moment. It kind of just needs to get going right here. Right here, right now. Yes, I'm long Pokemon cards right now. Charizards, Bulbasaurs, especially Bulbasaur. She's trying to get through there. Oh. Don't be afraid to take profit, chat.
There it is.
That was almost, oh my lord, almost 10 points all the way there. I'm going to take it off there at 61 just to see if I get filled right here. I just hate when it gets stuck right here at this fucking like make or break level, right? We're either going to go straight to the moon here, or, well, we just going to get trapped. Just watching. I might just end up getting out here sooner than later. I just don't like the fact that we got stuck there at the 60s. I'm going to jump out for now. I just don't like the fact that we couldn't break through there. If it pulls back, if it pops, it is what it is. So we were so close. It wanted to go, but now I'll just be patient for a second. That was still 10 points. We'll take it. I just didn't want to sit. I don't want this to pull back and then me have to like sit through a pullback here for no reason and then get stopped out, right?
And it's getting close to that 1 hour candle close, and you know how that, sometimes it's...
Like it should have went, to be honest. Like if it was going to go, it should have went already. So, see, because now it's like pulling back, and even if I had my stop below 40, so let's see if we'll get stopped here. How many shares of Tesla can you buy with the 50K account? I mean, Sketch, you gotta do some math on that, my friend. What's the price of Tesla? How much is 50,000? Do the math. Kind of, the math is the math, right? Big pushback up on Nvidia. Nvidia not done yet. Let's see what happens. Let's see if Nvidia pulls back here again. I might look for a long on Nvidia. Oil is still selling. What's crazy is the ES is not far from all-time high, man. We're only 50 points away from 7,000 on the ES. The ES this week alone, I mean, wait a minute, this week, last week or two has gone up almost 1,000 points here, or 800 points. All right, I'm looking to see if we get some, like, I'll kind of watch the NASDAQ here, right? Like, if the NASDAQ can get a little fake out to the downside, maybe we'll get that kind of 192 area again on Nvidia. See, this is, oh,
Yeah, this is that. Yeah.
I'm so happy that I got out there where I did. So it's just, sometimes you just gotta like,
You give it time, and if
you
it
gotta
doesn't,
do it, right?
yeah.
Like it should have went.
Yeah.
Like this candle right here, like we had that wick.
Yep.
That should have been the breakout candle. There's no reason for us to pull back, you know, again,
Yeah.
other than to pull back more. So that's like, you just gotta be like, hey, if I'm looking for a breakout of the 15-minute range, and guess
you're
what,
looking
we
for
get
momentum.
stuck there,
Yeah.
like then I gotta be like, hey, obviously I want to make more money, but at the same time, there's no reason for me to let my stop get hit, lose money, and then be
Look to
like,
try
you
to-
know, be mad about it.
So right now we're back inside of the 15-minute ORB as well, guys. Keep that in mind, right? We're back below 25,754.75. So we're back inside of the opening range, 15-minute chart.
Fucking
So
Nvidia, insane move off the 190s, back up 192s. I kind of just want to see like 192 area again on Nvidia. What is the pivot point indicator that I use? Oh, people always ask me this. It's the funniest thing because you'd be surprised. It's literally just called pivot point standard. If you go on TradingView, maybe. Never mind. What the fuck? Can't open the indicators. Never mind. I don't know why I won't open the box. Wow. Nvidia still holding. I'm gonna try a long on Nvidia here. I got some wiggle room. This will be like I'll just kind of let this trade kind of play out here on Nvidia. Look for, you know, like a move up into this area with like a stop loss like down below 192. So maybe a little bit more, just depending on how that goes. Obviously not financial advice. We'll see what happens here. Just need that NQ to go. Oil still pushing down. You got the ES just kind of pushing up. NASDAQ, get this 15-minute breakout on the NASDAQ, then Nvidia should be good. I should have waited for that 15-minute confirmation on the NASDAQ here.
I think we're gonna get a retracement to 717 and take a long there. Yeah, I mean that could be possible. I mean, we just got down basically to the low 720 area, but we're still, you know. So what you got to be mindful of, the higher time frame is still bullish though, guys. Right? Look at the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is still bullish. The 4 hour chart is still bullish. So the higher time frames are bullish, guys. So this retracement, you know, that could be normal, right? So if you're a bull, you're looking for maybe some kind of higher low kind of being set up, let it form out, and then maybe we get some continuation to the upside. So we'll see how this plays out on NQ.
I like it. I like it. I mean, the great thing now is like if I'm looking for a long, I basically just wait to get back above like 740, you know?
Yeah.
See. How much weight do I give the pivot points? I mean, I keep them there. I won't not take a trade because, you know, we're at the pivot point. Nvidia right now pulling back here a little bit deeper. I should have been a little bit more patient there. I haven't traded stocks in a minute. I got to get back to my stock life. Be a little bit more patient. So we got a long going here on Nvidia. We got to stop down here kind of below 192. I don't love it, but we'll see. Need the NASDAQ to start pushing up here to show the overall strength. Yeah, that might have been, that was a bit of a FOMO there on the Nvidia. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, God. Nvidia really pulling back here now. All right, so NASDAQ below this EMA there on the 1 minute chart. If we look 5 minute chart, obviously happy that we took, or we cut off that long when we did, right? That was a good call, I think. Sometimes you got to know when to fold them, when to hold them. We were long from the 750s, got out there for just a small little break-even trade because we couldn't get moving. So let's see if we can get some reaction here. 720, get this. We got to get back above 740, 750s, and then I think the longs could start to play there.
Yeah, this is a new 1 hour candle as well.
All right, one new hour candle, 10 o'clock.
New 1 hour and 4 hour candle, guys, just open up. So that's what kind of waiting for right now. Want to see if we can start reclaiming these previous candles highs. So 5-minute chart, right? It's 25,000, like 742 area. We can take out that, then that's promising for more upside. That would be like kind of like a higher low setup on the 5-minute chart. And then you continue, get back above 754, and then you're targeting towards 25,800. So that's the game plan. No trade right now for long for me until similar to same as PW, to be honest. You want to start seeing previous candles highs get broken, get taken out, guys. And we're back inside the ORB at the moment, so just be mindful. News at 10:15. I mean, you got FOMC. Yeah, you got FOMC. You got an FOMC speaker.
Dumping again. Oil down there, 190.94 breaking through there now. So
what about shorts?
Shorts?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe go for a short here at 720 down there through the 700s next, just to kind of take out this level. Not a terrible idea, maybe. What is your bias right now? Bias right now is we're just kind of pulling back here, 15-minute range. We know the NASDAQ loves to kind of stay in this 15-minute range before, you know, making a move. So I get it. Everybody wants to make more money, more money, more money. But sometimes the move is just to be patient, my friends. If we go 15-minute chart, big 15-minute candle, built out that big range. But to the upside, I mean, this thing, it's not like, it ain't dumping.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet. I think this 5-minute candle here will be very telling, right? If this is like,
if you can get back above,
start to push back up here, kind of that same idea, right? Get back above 740, 750. So, PW, what are your thoughts on order flow? I don't give a fuck. If you ever want to lose money, learn how to trade order flow. It's the biggest joke, guys. Bull flags and bear flags. Only thing you got to worry about. The order flow, literally, it's bullshit. It's bullshit. Guys, think about it like this, right? If all of these different strategies were so profitable, if they worked so good, then like, why isn't everybody just rich trading order flow, right? Like, that's what I love about it. People are like, oh, I trade order flow. And I'm just like, yeah, but like, okay, how rich are you? Like, it's just like, I don't know. PW, what does BDH stand for? Big Dick House. Come on now. Simple. Easy. PW, have you got burnt on 0-day expiration on the SPY? Oh, yeah. I've done everything possible, my friend.
I'm not in a trade, guys. There's no setup for me right now.
You cannot trade NVDL. You can short NVIDIA, but you can't trade NVDL. Mr. Stock says 0-day options are the way. $50 calls went to 3,000. Yeah, well, I what about the day before and the day before that? You know, like it's always like my favorite. Yeah, man, I love trading the 0-day options. I turned $5 into 25. You're like, oh, how much have you lost? Well, I've lost about 50 grand. But yesterday I made $100 trading those 0-day options.
Oh man.
Patrick, it's going to be 800 break today. Okay.
Hey,
I mean, I'm
I
not
mean,
mad about it.
Yeah, that's a
I'm
level
not
that
bearish. I'm not bull. I'm just waiting for a setup here, guys.
Yeah.
This last 5-minute candle, you got a wick on the bottom, a big wick on the top, indecision there now. So I think it's very much just the same exact play as always, right? We're waiting for a bull flag to form here. That's all it is, Chet. When's the D-Money show? He's here right now live, but if you want, go on the VIP room. You can watch D-Money all night long. That's right. Live from the VIP room. D-Money coming to you. Just don't wait around too long.
The 800 level, it's not. That's an area that we discussed already, chat. That if the bullish momentum continues, yeah, that's a level of interest. So we're not opposed to 800 level.
When you all started getting money from trading, did you all start to push it on your friends and family? No. I have so many friends and family hit me up about day trading, and I don't even respond.
Yeah.
I don't. Like, I truly don't.
Oh man.
I had a guy the other day, like one of my cousins. He sent me a whole fucking letter. He's like, "Oh man, I want to make money trading, blah blah blah." And I'm like, I didn't even respond.
Because you know that.
Because there's no point. Like, what am I gonna do? Have to fucking spend an hour explaining how to day trade, and then he's still gonna lose money? Like, it's just, guys, trade. Like, you got to be retarded to want to be a day trader. And I say that like in like the most, I don't know, I guess, motivational way, but do not fucking message me on Instagram saying you want to start trading, where to start. Like, I'm never gonna respond. Like, I spent 9 years of my life trying to learn this shit, and then what, I'm supposed to just give somebody a fucking novel, you know, be like, hey man,
crazy.
I watch your YouTube channel, how do I start doing this?
I get
I'm
that
like,
all the time.
You're not, don't do it. Nice little push here. I kind of like this.
Yeah, it looks.
I'm gonna try a long to see if we get some continuation here to the upside. I am long, calling it out right now. Like I said, I was looking for that break above the 740, 750 area. Get this push up. Just, I don't know. We'll see. I think we could pretty much now just let this ride. Let it go. Or maybe kind of aim for like up into here. If you're wondering why I got long there, like I said, 5-minute chart, basically just watching for a break back above the 50, back above the 40s. It's not rocket science. Fuck your order flow. Somebody asked me about order flow. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
I will outtrade any order flow fucking goober on this planet any day, all day. I don't look at shit. I look at candlesticks. I look at fucking patterns, baby. Bam, bam, bam. Making money. But Patrick, what about the order flow? ES is already making new highs. So ES is making new highs. Oil selling down. Oil 93 now. Like I said this morning, watch oil. And there you go. If we're watching it, we're seeing it. It's go, go, go to the downside. So that gets the equity market moving to the upside here. NASDAQ, ES pumping. Let's see if we can get a new high. Like I said, ES is making new highs right now. NASDAQ is not. That's interesting, right? So you got to think like.
But the 5-minute chart, yeah,
I'm long. NASDAQ will follow.
I'm long as well.
D-Money's long.
Yeah, because we just took out that 735, guys, was the area. So there's the pop. We're looking for.
I'm gonna move my target
back
up
above
some.
763.
Try to look for 760s.
Yeah, 763.
God, this fucking dude, it is printing right now. That's what I love about this. I literally just draw my little line on there. I say, hey, everybody, look, if we get above 750, 740, we're going higher. Chat, are you not impressed? I want W's in the chat. I'm going to turn this motherfucker. I want 3,000 likes.
There it is.
I want everything, D. I want
755.
everything, D. D-Money, give me everything!
There's 757.
Like, we do this for free.
Yep. And people are
Why?
charging.
And they're still not happy.
It's crazy, man. Drop a W in the chat,
we
guys.
We can't win any more than we've already won, D.
Yep, there it
Look
is.
at this.
758.
Bam, I'm out.
You gotta love it.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Guys, I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to be nice right now, but like I don't feel the love sometimes, right? Like yesterday, it's crazy. Like, it's crazy what we do here. I gotta start charging, I think. Chat, we're gonna start charging. I'm gonna start charging. No more free live stream. We're gonna let the world know what it's like. You know, when you're not friends with PW and DMoney, what happens?
Yep.
You want to be mean to us? Okay.
Yeah.
Fuck around, find out.
Yeah, you gotta find out.
Fuck around, find out. Did I take profit at the top? Possibly. Am I the best to ever do it? Possibly. And the best part is they'll still be like, but you never told us.
Oh yeah, somebody's gonna say it.
You never said that. You
Somebody's
never
gonna
said
say
it.
Yeah, somebody's gonna say it.
Guys, we literally put the fucking yellow line on the chart before the move. I mean, when we were down here at the 716s, we were like, hey, we get back above
That's
the
what we want.
740s, we're going.
740, yep.
I mean, I don't know what else to do, right? Like, I truly don't. Like, I come to your house, I guess. I come to your house and press the button for you.
That's what they want.
You know, come over there and sit on your fucking lap.
That's what they want. That's
You
what
know?
some people want.
That's what they
It's
want.
not everybody, but it's some people. Some people in the chat want.
They want us to come to their fucking house. I'm gonna come to your house and fucking whoop your ass, bitch. Where you live at? Where you live?
Yep. There's the break.
There's
a
a
new
break
high.
through the highs. Like I said, ES making new highs. NASDAQ following. Bam, bam, bam. Absolute fucking textbook setup here. You gotta love it, chat. I'm not even trying to toot my own horn right now, but I'm just trying to let you all know. You gotta stop watching those other guys because they just gonna fuck with your head, right? That's one thing I think a lot of people, they don't think about, right? But if you get around the wrong people, right? You get around, if you go join some Discord and it's a bunch of failed day traders and they all talk about how they lose money all day, you just like, that's what you become.
Mentally, yep.
Right? Like mentally, you're just a bunch of fucking losers. But
Crazy.
if you go to the BDH stream, you hang out with PW, DMoney, winner, winner, chicken dinner. You know, it's just so much more fun to win with us. All right, beautiful setup there. We got the push, like I said, right above. All I was looking for was, I literally said, I was like, hey, we got this 5-minute candle looking like some indecision, right?
Yeah.
5-minute candle,
The
indecision.
doji, yep.
We get back above the 740, 750 area. We go for a new high. Well, we didn't go to the moon, but we did get a new high. 765 is the new high of day. So haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Right? I mean, there we go. A little pullback. Let's see what happens here now.
Hit the like button, guys. We should be well over 2,000 likes at this point.
Well over 2,000. Are you kidding me? We don't have 2,000 likes right now?
So
I'm turning this shit off.
We're at
I'm
1,800
gonna turn it
likes.
off, chat.
So
I
do
will
us a
turn it
solid,
off.
guys. Hit the like button. Drop in some sauce. We're dropping a lot of sauce here. Hit the like button if you're not subscribed. You know what to do. We appreciate the support.
All right, right now, kind of pulling back here. Let's see what happens. Kind of the same exact play as earlier, right? We get, I'd say, another long above like 755s again. And then see if we can't go 780s or more. She's trying to push right here.
Yeah, you like the bottom wick that's forming on
Yeah.
the 5-minute chart.
Just new candle just open. Taking a long right there, 755. Stop is tight here. And then kind of the same exact setup, right? Today, I'm fine with just kind of taking those little base hits. Give me 10 points, give me 10 points. Gimme, 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 gimme. So close, so close, so close. There you go. Thank you very much. I mean, I'm done.
Yep.
I'm fucking leaving, chat. I'm out of here. Fuck you guys. Fuck everybody. Fuck everybody. This is bullshit. I don't get paid enough for this shit. How many trades is that now? Count them out.
Oh, man.
Count them out. I can't stop winning. It's crazy. I can't stop winning, D.
It's
D, put it out.
It's great.
Put the fire out, D. I mean, that's the best part. DMoney earlier talking about, you know, his respect for me and the friendship and all that. But at the same time, I'm not going to lie. Like, I want to show up, right? When I'm at the BDH, I want us to fucking win.
Yep.
Right? Like, I'm not always here now. I've got other stuff going on. So it's like, when I come correct, I tell you every morning, I'm like, we're going to fucking, let's go, baby. I get fired up for this shit.
Yep.
I love this shit. I want to win. I want to fucking show the world. I'm not going to lie. I get a little fired up because I'm like, fuck D-Money. Let me show you how to do it, boys. Let me show you why it's PW BDH. All right? I fucking love D-Money to death, but I do love letting everybody know that I'm the biggest and the largest for a reason, chat. Come on now. She's still going higher, by the way. Congratulations if you're long. It's too easy printing with D-Money sometimes.
That 800 level, guys. So we kind of talked about it before, right? So keep in mind Doesn't mean we won't get some pullbacks on the way. You just had a pretty aggressive bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute chart as well, guys. That just closed out. So you had a bullish engulfing candle back above the opening range high of 25,754. There's nothing right now telling us that shorts are the move.
Fuck no.
Yeah,
you guys be on crack right now to be like, I want to get short.
But you know, there's somebody trying to find. There's
someone who's been trying to short all morning long.
Hey, and we've been that person, guys. I've been that person.
We've all been there.
Yeah.
Because you know what happens? I know exactly why, right? You look at the hourly chart and you're like, fuck, it's overextended.
Yep. It
look,
has to.
D,
has to
look,
pull back.
it just keeps going higher.
Yep, it has to pull back.
It's got to pull back.
Mm-hmm. That's the most critical, guys.
Like, come on. Hey, anytime anytime like anybody in the world is like, it's got to pull back.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's got to keep going lower. You know, whenever it's like, whenever they say it's gotta, you know that you're just like, okay, it's time to get long.
Yep.
Like, it's time to get long, boys. I mean, guys, it is still going. Look at that. Another fucking, look at that. Another banger. We got long there earlier at the 737s, took profit at the 58s, got long here again at the 55s, out at the 64s. I mean, come on. And even this trade, you know, like I said, sometimes it's good to protect yourself.
Oh, without a doubt.
Right? Because this is what I was looking for earlier. I wanted to see this like breakout here. But when it didn't break out, why would I keep holding?
Yep. And then join the momentum once it picks back up.
And then wait for that momentum to kick back in. Like, I'm not trying to like make it seem like I have all the answers in the world. Because I think people, they get caught up on this idea that like, oh, these guys just fucking tooting their own horns. But it's like, I'm talking from a place of experience, right?
Yep.
You're talking from a place of experience because like in the past, I would be trying to short this whole fucking time.
Yep.
And every time it goes higher, I'm like, fuck, short every fucking time.
I've done it so many times, chat.
Right? Like that is the worst thing you can do as a day trader.
Yep.
Like we said, people in the chat were like, when do you look for a short? I'm like, when there is a short. Like, look at the 5-minute chart, 15-minute range. Where was there a short at? Like, realistically, where was there a short?
Yeah.
Nowhere. And they'll be like, yeah, but you could have shorted 750. I'm like, yeah, but why? Yeah. Just because?
Yeah, just because. And
just because? Like, what is your reason to short there? It's not making lower highs. It made a higher low. I mean, it's very fucking bullish. Like, you got to, like...
Yeah, this thing is...
I mean, trust me, I at the same time, I'm looking at this daily candle. I'm like, holy fuck.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Right? Like yesterday's daily candle. But, I mean, think about it. It's been fucking stop printing right now.
Yeah.
There's clearly like look at the fucking trend too here.
It's great.
Right? Like,
yeah.
That's a very, very, very distinctive fucking breakout.
And remember, chat, that 700 plus point range, about 700 points on yesterday's daily candle. So any kind of continuation today to the upside could be massive because we had a huge daily candle range yesterday, guys, to the upside. Keep that in mind. So that was also in the back of our mind when we were kind of breaking down pre-market and we're mapping out these levels. And if you remember, I kind of called out 25,886 up to 26,000 actually. So if we really get moving, make no mistake about it, guys, we could be sitting up there. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you're trying to short this right now, you're just hurting yourself because you're going against the trend, right? There's a lot of momentum right now, bullish momentum.
It is so much easier to trade with the trend,
right?
Without a doubt. Because if you're buying pullbacks, you have way better risk to reward.
Yep.
Whereas if you're trying to short every time the market goes up,
good luck.
Where's your stop at? Are you, I'll risk 20 points. I'll risk 20 points. And it's just like, before you know, you've lost 100 points because you took 4 losing trades in a row because it just keeps going higher. So the one thing that if you learn one thing from watching this channel, being patient and just trading with the trend is the easiest way to trade.
Yeah.
Right? Because you just got to be patient. I think that's what everybody wants to get in and call the tops, call the bottoms.
Yeah.
But like today, look, you pull up the 5-minute chart and you're like, hey, okay, look, here's our 15-minute range. So what do I do? Right? I just wait. Yeah. I'm patient. I wait for another setup. Maybe I missed out on the first move of the day. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with missing out on a move.
Yeah.
I think everybody, they miss out on a move, and then what do they do? They want to get in on the very next move, and they start to chase. So that just puts you into like a bad spot.
Yeah, your entry is going to be, and chances are, guys, when you do that, when you chase, there's going to be 99% of the time, there's going to be a pullback, guys, right? So if you're trying to get long and you chase the long, it's a weird thing to say, but 99% of the time it feels like there's a large pullback that comes, and then all of a sudden you're stopped.
And the funniest is like when you're not like in the trade, that's when the pullbacks don't happen, and that's when you end up FOMOing because you're like, fuck, it's never gonna pull back. It's never gonna pull back. But that's just like that mental of like getting to the point where you're like, fuck it. Fuck it. Right? Like the same thing with today. You're instead of being like, hey, I want to get short, where you could, that's fine. Like you could be like, hey, there's a gap to the downside. I want to take a short. And you're like, okay, cool. Like I understand the premise of it. That's a valid theory. But at the same time, it's like this is also showing a lot of strength because it's not filling that gap.
Yeah, it's not.
So the only way that I'm looking for a short is if we basically, you know, break to the downside, put in a lower high, and then we start to move down there. Because that would be telling me like, hey, the structure is showing us that this is a short. Whereas like right now, look at this fucking thing. It's still just printing.
Yeah. This is
the FOMO is real
level,
right now.
800 level, guys.
800 level. DMoney wants it.
It's coming.
Fuck. She's just printing right now. A lot of strength. That's the thing, right? Because whenever the market is like overextended, this is what it's gonna do. Right? It's going to just like push. And you're not going to get those like technical pullbacks where you're like, oh, it's overextended because you're like, well, there's so much strength right now.
Yeah.
People are FOMOing. They're also getting squeezed.
Yeah.
I would say there's a lot of shorts getting squeezed because everybody is trying to be bearish on this market. And Trump said, ha ha ha.
Yeah. Hold my beer.
Hold my beer. Watch us.
And
look at that.
And if you look at the 1 hour and 4 hour candle, guys, like why would you want to fight that? Look at the size of the current candle on the 4 hour chart, right? Look at the previous 4 hour candle. Why would you want to fight that and actually try to short? Think about it. And I know that it's tempting because you see these pullbacks, but these pullbacks are just simply, you can think of the market just taking a breath, guys, before it kind of extending higher to the upside.
Look at
That's all it
yesterday's
is.
4 hour chart. Yesterday's 4 hour chart is literally just 6 a.m., 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Literally every single candle just going straight up. You know some shorts got absolutely roasted there yesterday on those moves.
And now we just hit 793, guys.
God, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. All right, there's that pivot point. Let's see if that pivot point is gonna act as resistance or if we're gonna break right on through. Break it right on through.
Somebody said, "What's next?" Oh man, we're sticking to the upside. That's what's next. Right.
I mean, here, like the thing I'd have to say now is like if you took a long on that last bull flag on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
Well, then you have to be like, well, number one, why'd you take profit? Like if you took profit already.
Yeah.
And you're like, well, where's my next entry? You're like, okay, but like, why'd you take profit in the first place? Like if you're over, like if you're willing to get long here at 790, why'd you not hold that long from the 740s?
That's true.
So like mentally, I have to be like, okay, well, I took a long on that bull flag. So for my next setup, guess what? I need another bull flag.
Yeah, another bull flag, yeah.
Right? Because I just know that like I'm not going to chase this now.
And if we're gonna have a nice trend day, guys, another bull flag, it's coming. It's coming, chat. Right.
Yeah.
So
well, in a good trending market, you'll always get more entries. So that's also like confidence to be like, hey, I don't need to enter right now because even if it pushes up here to 840, 850, well, I guess what? There's gonna be another setup.
Yeah.
There'll be another setup.
Sure.
There's always more setups. Cop Bob said, I'm green taking longs and shorts. All right.
Yeah.
Cool story.
Yeah, cool story. But guess what? I mean, be for real, man. How often is that going to play out? Like, I can tell you right now, guys, I've been trading over 10 years, and I know PW's 10 years or more as well. Guys, trust me. It is going to be very rare that you are able to catch both shorts and longs in a trending market to the upside, guys, and you not get burned. Trust me.
I mean, even if you did, but it's just like.
But why?
Like,
why would you want to go through that?
Well,
it's just
like,
more stress.
More trades do not equal more profits. That is a fact, right? I get it. It sounds cool because everyone's like, yeah, look, I got long, I got short, I got long, I got short, I got long, I got short. And you're like, cool.
Yeah.
But like, why?
Yeah.
What was your like reasoning, you know?
And you'll definitely catch some of them, chat. Everybody gets lucky, right? And I'm not trying to be disrespectful to your trading, but I'm saying is the trend is always riding the trend, guys, and riding where the joining the side where the momentum is always going to give you a higher success rate than going counter trend. That's just trading. So just being honest.
Well, it's also it's like I don't know, like that seems like a lot of work. Trying to trade every single move, that's a lot of work. I'd rather be like, hey, I think the best, the more that I adopt the 5-minute belief, right? I'm just like, hey, if I look at the 5-minute chart and it's like we haven't really took out any 5-minute lows recently, there's nothing that not a good form there, then I just stay out of it. Yeah. Because I'm like, I don't really need to do anything here. Like, I would rather, if I was working a normal job or whatever, I'd rather just pull up the 5-minute, pull up the 15-minute chart and just be like, until I see something really good, I'll take a trade. If I don't see something really good, I'm not going to look at it. Because if you're sitting there and you're staring at the 1-minute chart, it is so easy, to be like, hey, fuck, man, I got to get long. You just look at the candles, you're like, look, I got to get long,
That's why I had to adapt my trading and move to the 5-minute chart, because I know myself and you got to know yourself as a trader, guys. And I got faked out too many times because I was the trader jumping in on right. Oh, I got to take this, right? And it turns out to be a fake out. And you got more reliability, obviously, on a 5-minute chart. And I had to adapt. PW trades the 1-minute chart very well. I can't, guys. I'm not the one.
Yeah, but no. See, but put that into context, right? Yeah. I'm trading the 1-minute chart based on the higher time frames.
Yeah.
Right, so
and that's why your success rate is higher.
I'm not only looking at the 1-minute chart. Yeah, right. I'm looking at the ES. I talked about there's a lot of stuff I'm looking at. I think,
but I wasn't. I was only looking at the 1-minute chart.
I just want to make people I don't want people thinking that I'm only trading the 1-minute. I'm looking at oil. I'm looking at Nasdaq. I'm looking at the ES. I talked about how the ES was making new highs before the Nasdaq did. Yeah. So that's why I was like, hey, I like this setup. I like the 5-minute setup. I like the 1-minute setup. I like everything about this because everything is going in the direction that I wanted. Yeah, NVIDIA almost back to break even now. Let's go, NVIDIA. Come on, pump it for my daddy.
You're getting close to the 900 level, guys, or 800 level. You hit 798 already.
Jason, can you tell me about your journey from the beginning of your trading? Jason, if you go on my YouTube channel, there is literally 1,000 videos. And what I would say is you can literally go back, from the beginning, right? If you're like, man, this guy, he's full of shit. You can go back, right? Go back to the beginning. And what's crazy is I tell people this all the time, but my first fucking videos, honestly, if I would just cut out all the videos in the middle of my YouTube, I'd probably be it would make a lot more sense to people, because if you go back and you watch the first videos that I ever traded, you're like, oh, this guy was literally trading bull flags.
Back then.
You know, this is a video that I made 8 years ago on the 5-minute chart. And look, I literally said, I was like, when you look at the 5-minute chart, you get a better idea. How crazy is that of the overall chart? Right? This is a video I made 8 years ago talking about trading. And it's still the same premise, crazy, right? Nothing has changed. Yeah. Look at me. I was back there trading the 5-minute chart and talking about why I thought the 5-minute chart was better. Right? That's hilarious to me.
It's crazy.
8 years ago, and I'm still it's the same shit. Nothing changed. Still levels, key levels. I don't really use indicators. I've never used the indicators that I think are most powerful. Like I say, the pivot points, they're just they're areas that are obviously, mathematically based on the previous moves that get plotted. Yeah. The EMAs just kind of give me an idea of what the momentum is. The VWAP, maybe I don't need to use the VWAP. I use the VWAP because I think just because back in the day I used to trade stocks a lot more. Yeah. That was maybe a reason. I don't know, but 100%. I think the best thing to do is just keep your chart clean. Even the 15-minute range. I use that indicator just because it automatically charts out the open range high and low for me. Yeah. And we've seen so many times, right, where at the end of the day, you look, you're like, oh fuck, the 15-minute range is acting as resistance or support. Yep. So sometimes it's you forget about it because it's 3 o'clock, you're not paying attention, and then all of a sudden you look, you go, oh fuck, we're still inside the 15-minute range. Yeah. At 3 o'clock, literally at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're still inside the 15-minute range.
Yep. And that happens more often. It's been happening over the last couple of weeks a lot. So there's your 800 level, guys. Make no mistake about it.
We got Tree said that they just bought a Warbucks account shorting Apple. GUI Pro platform is so user-friendly. I agree. I'm not going to lie. I do agree. We're trying to get it going here, baby. All right, I'm long on NVIDIA here still. This is the platform that we're talking about with Warbucks. GUI trade, basically, is what it's called, Pro, or vice versa. So, like I said, you know, sometimes with the stocks, they kind of, obviously, like, it's a little bit different than the overall index. Like, I think you could be a little bit more risk adverse.
Yeah.
If that makes sense, you know. Because obviously, it's not as big of a swing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you kind of like, I'm risking 300, where, like, trading futures with that big of a stop, you're going to be risking 30,000, you know.
Yeah.
So it's got to kind of play it a little differently. But right now, I am long on NVIDIA. We'll see if we get a breakout through this like 193, 194 area. Obviously, the NASDAQ still turning up there, looking beautiful. Keep it going. Can you swing trade on Warbucks? You cannot. Unfortunately, it's not for swing trading. Patrick, it's 10:30 open. Damn it.
Yeah.
We got to wait for the 10:30, 15-minute range here. Ice Fire game got in at 68. Let's go. Patrick's preaching words of wisdom. I mean, you know, I don't know. How does Rocket Scooter claim he's the #1 YouTube day trader? I mean, ain't nothing #1 about that guy. Come on. Put me in a room with that guy. I'll run circles around him, chat. Run circles around him. DMoney, you gotta change your Twitter page to DMoney.
You saw that? Yeah.
I do agree with that. Ain't nobody know who the fuck Damaris is.
I think you said that. I think initially too.
Yeah.
That would be easier.
Do you like Take Profit Trader Pro accounts? Yeah. I made like $100 grand last month trading Take Profit Trader. It was epic. Yeah, I mean, the whole Rocket Scooter thing is hilarious. I mean, his name is Rocket Scooter. Like, tell me you're gay without telling me you're gay. Not that there's anything wrong with being gay, but, like, you got the BDH, Big Dick House, versus Rocket Scooter. You know, I mean, I'm not, I'm not trying to be a hater, but it's just like BDH, Rocket Scooter. Rocket boot. No, I ate about it. And that motherfucker drives a Maserati or whatever. I think Maserati. That alone, my friends, just tells me you're gay. There is nothing cool about a Maserati. Patrick, the guy that you had on here the other day did not make the cut. Yeah, did not make the cut, man. The cut is high. The bar is high, chat. I've had a lot of people try to get jobs at the BDH, and a lot of people, you know. Yeah, no. Rocket Scooter versus PW. Guys, I mean, it's not even a contest. I tried to get him to come to BDH already, and he has ducked me multiple times. There hasn't been one. Oh, it's an Aston Martin, even gayer. Come on, chat. What are you? What is he? 80 years old driving an Aston Martin? He gets like 100 views on his stream. It's okay. I'm not worried about it. It's not even competition. I don't know why I'm even talking about him. See, I'm just wasting my time talking about him. Second time here. Appreciate. Oh, thank you. Second time.
Bless you. All right, guys. So we got people that are antsy. They're kind of saying like, "What's the next setup?"
Trade, right? What's the next trade?
We're
Patience.
Same setup, guys. That we're kind of looking at. So we want PW kind of talked about it. You want another bull flag to play out. You want to start seeing something convincing to kind of hop in and join the party, right? Because keep in mind, we just took out the 800 level, right? We just got to 25,809, and you're getting a bit of a pullback. Current 5-minute candle. Let a bull flag play out, guys, and then you try to join the party in that direction. There's a lot of the market is still pushing. There's a lot of bullish momentum. Current 1-hour chart is still bullish. 4-hour chart is still bullish, right? So there's nothing at the moment kind of saying that this is slowing down. So just got to be patient.
I mean, I don't give a fuck.
I'm long from 748, left for a runner. Hey, congrats. congrats to you. But if you didn't leave a runner, you know, this is we're communicating to the people that didn't leave a runner, right? So, but 800 level was tapped. That's to be honest, if I was long, guys, from like 740 and it hit 800, to be honest, I probably would have took it off. Because
Fuck yeah, you would have.
Yeah, the 800. The 800.
This guy, come on, that's my favorite. They're all like where would you take it off? 800.
Yeah.
You'd be up 60 points.
Yeah, that's a psychological level, guys, that everybody's watching, right? So keep that in mind. A lot of times you get deep pullbacks at those levels, 800, 900.
All right, we got Little Wang Jan Nim says, I was on a payout streak for a while, but haven't gotten a payout in over a month. Sometimes you just got to get back to the basics.
Yeah,
I've been there. You know, you get that, like, you get a little too hot, get a little too bothered. But honestly, the best thing to do at that point, I think, is just size down, right? Size down, go back to small size. Don't worry about the payouts. Focus on the money. Or wait. Don't worry about the payout. No, focus on the trades, right? Just focus on the process. Like getting back to that point where you are you're not worried about the payout, where you're just like, hey, I'm just trading. Like that's what you got to get to, right? Like the other month when I was trading those take profit trader accounts, like I was like bang, bang, bang payouts like every fucking day basically because I wasn't worried about getting payouts, right? I was just trading what's in front of me.
Yeah.
It's always like when you start to worry, it's the same thing with like anything in life, right? A basketball player, Formula One, like Lando Norris, you know, when Piastri starts winning, what's he do? He starts, you know, crashing and having issues because you're so focused on winning that you're no longer just like doing your thing. The reason that he was winning before because he was just like doing his thing. He wasn't
focused on
focused on the winning.
Yeah, he just focused on the process.
Yeah. So like, and see, I hate saying the whole process thing, but I think it's just like you got to get back to like why were you winning in the first place?
Yeah.
You're winning because you were taking small trades, you were locking in the profits, and you were like just doing your thing.
Yeah.
But the minute that you like start to only focus on the fucking profit, fuck the process. We're still long on Nvidia. Let's go, baby. We're pumping. Daddy likey. Come on, baby. This is fun. I like trading. Yeah, PW is right. Size down. Focus on the trades. 100%. You got to size down. If you're in a dry spell, if you're hurting, whatever it is, like there is no better truth than just sizing down. Right? Go back to micros. Who cares? Like, who the fuck cares?
But that's what I was gonna say because when you had some crazy payouts on your live account and then you went down. Yeah, then you sized down, and everybody's like freaking out because you sized down the micros, and it's like, guys, so it's a smart decision.
You take $100,000 in payouts, and then you have a couple of red days. What do? You just size down. You relax.
It's smart
because you're like, hey, you know, like. Just chill out. Rocket Scooter is challenging you. Hey, ask Rocket Scooter how many views his live stream has. And, you know, once he gets anywhere near where my views are, then we can talk about a challenge. But until then, tell him to keep existing in the nether of nothing. Exactly. He thinks he's going to do a 24-hour-a-day stream with, like, fucking no-name people trying to recreate the DMoney effect. Sir. Ain't happening. NASDAQ up there to the 820s. A little pullback here. Oil still pulling back. Still pulling back there. Five-minute chart. See, this is kind of like, look at that. Dude, in the last minute of that 5-minute candle, that flip.
Got him. I hate to say
got
it,
those longs up there. Everybody who tried to take those longs up there above 800.
Got him.
Just got him.
I hate to say it.
Got him.
But this is why, you know, you got to be patient, guys. Right? Let the market kind of do its thing, and then because, you know, if you're waiting to PW's point, you're looking for bull flags and you're looking for high or low setups, guys, you can measure your stop and it's more appropriate, right? Versus where would you put your stop, right? If you got long above 809 trying to trade that as a breakout, where's your stop going to be? Okay, maybe the previous 5-minute candle's low, but, you know, a lot of times it's you're gonna have a wider stop, right? Because you're trying to chase, so it's better to kind of let the market play out, put in a higher low, and then try to join the party. And that involves waiting, chat. Sometimes we've called out multiple trades that we've taken, so it's not like we haven't called out trades. We're content, right?
I mean, I couldn't call out any more trades if I tried.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Literally 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, that's 4 trades back to back to back winning.
Yep.
Literally at open, bam, 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 bam. I mean, job's done, right? I mean, at that point, you're like, hey, it's fucking almost 11 o'clock.
Yeah, you got to put everything.
I
In
got
perspective,
fucking.
guys.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
cray
live trades, all printing. So, I mean, at what point do you say, hey, I need to make more, you know? Somebody said, how much would you say you need to make from
that.
trading before quitting your job?
that.
First off, my friend, I'm going to tell you something very fucking true. You don't need to ever quit your job to day trade. You don't. You never need to quit your job to day trade. That is the dumbest fucking thing I've ever heard in my life from people on the internet. Why quit your job? Get it, like, you know what I mean? Why?
Yeah, because
Like-
they want to dive all in.
But you can dive all in. Like, that's just bullshit.
Yeah.
What you're telling me? Oh, I work at fucking Walmart 40 hours a week. There's no more time the rest of the time to trade.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
There is.
Fuck yeah, there's time to trade.
yeah, there
What
is.
do you mean there's no time to trade?
Yep, there is.
What do you do the rest of the time? You go home and fucking jerk off all night? Like, what do you
Oh,
do?
man.
You know, you work the night shift at Walmart. Okay, cool. Then trade in the morning.
Trade in the morning.
It's such stupid.
Yeah.
It is so stupid. I don't know why people are so obsessed with quitting their job. I mean, the whole idea of trading is to make money.
Yeah.
Right? So it's like, why don't I have 10 jobs? I have
Yeah.
fucking 20 jobs. I'm doing pressure wash, I'm doing landscaping, I'm doing day trading. Like, why not do as many fucking jobs as possible?
Yeah.
Right? It's just money. Like,
Yeah,
because day trading, like, you're not gonna make money every day.
Nope.
Right? Like, so I don't give a fuck who you are. There is no reason to quit your job.
We talk
Someone
about
said
this.
D-Money quit his job. Well, you know, D-Money got a job, though.
Yeah, guys, but you got to remember, I was very transparent on that. Yeah, so I was trading, but I was
I'm sure
trading
you
when
had some money saved up.
100%.
You know? Like, you
I had a
like,
nest. Yeah,
your
I had
rent
a,
wasn't due and you had to
yeah,
trade.
exactly, guys. I had a lot of money saved up. In full transparency, I had a lot of money saved up, and I talked about that last week. That if that's something that you're looking at doing, you need to have money put aside, chat. 6 months is not enough. I'll put it like that.
No.
6 months of expenses is not enough put
Fuck
aside.
No, that's not gone 1 month.
Exactly. So,
Hey, yo, 6 months is gone in
So-
1 month.
yeah, I had well over a year, guys, of money put aside where I didn't have to sweat and I could focus on trading. But you can't look at somebody and say that, oh, well, if they did it, I'm going to do it. That's not necessarily the
They
case.
didn't do it.
Yeah.
That's
not
also
necessarily
my
the
favorite.
case.
People are like, yeah, but you know, this so and so on Instagram, he quit his job and now he day trades. But what they don't say is, oh, he also has a Discord.
Yep.
You know, like, yeah, no shit, that's his
100%,
job.
100%.
Like, guys who have Discords, that's their job.
Yep.
Right? Their job is they make $100,000 a month selling Discord. Right? If you have a Discord, you have a job. So you're not a full-time day trader. You're a
You're not.
Discord
Yep.
who's a part-time day trader.
Yep.
Right? Because, like, at
Facts.
the end of the day, you truly, like, I think you truly only need to trade an hour, 2 hours a day max.
And that's when you're going to be at your peak, too, mentally. as
Right?
well.
Like, I don't care what anyone says.
Yeah, it's
2
true.
hours a day, that's all you fucking need.
It's true.
That is all you need to make money day trading.
Yep.
I don't care. Anybody says anything fucking different, they're full of shit. And I will check and balance all day on that. Whoever wants to see it. The times when I make the most money trading are always when I trade the least.
Yeah.
Because mentally,
It's
I'm not
facts.
worried about it. I'm not like, oh my God, I've got to trade all day. I've got to trade every hour. It's like I trade the opening break, whatever it is. I
Yeah.
make my money, and then I just walk away. And then at the end of the week, I look and I'm like, holy fuck. I made 50 grand trading an hour a day.
Yep.
Right? Like that's the dream. Like, so this whole idea that like, oh man, I'm quitting my job so I can be a full-time day trader. I'm like, will you shut the fuck up?
Yeah.
I'm a full-time day trader.
Yeah.
Right? Like, and I don't day trade full-time.
It's true.
Like, that's a fact. Like,
It's
like,
true.
There's nobody on this planet who can sit here and say that, Patrick, you're not a day trader. Okay, well, I've made more money day trading this year alone than 99% of the people on this planet. Okay, do I also make millions as a YouTuber? Yes. Do I also have fucking BDH? Do I also sell Pokemon cards? Yeah, like I do I try to make fucking money across the board. I want to make money every day. Like if I'm sleeping, I want to be making money. I got investments. I got crypto. You know, I've got all this shit going on. Like I'm not just like, oh man, guys, I made 200 grand day trading this month. I'm done for the month.
Nah. Yeah.
I'll just stop working now. Time to
Fact.
retire. Because you got to pay taxes. You got to pay, like, you got, you know, life. I mean, it's like, making 100 grand, you know, a month trading, like, that's cool. But, like, you ain't rich.
Nah.
If you make $1 million a year, you ain't rich. And that's a fact.
It's facts.
Like, you're not
Taxes
rich.
alone, guys.
You're going to pay the taxes. You're going to pay, like the liability of life. Like, you know, your expenses are going to go up because now all of a sudden you're a millionaire and you need a G-Wagon. You know? Like,
somebody
put your water out.
Somebody put the G-Wagon can't pay for itself.
Exactly. You know?
Oh, man.
But yeah, I 100%, man. It's just like, I think like we talked about yesterday, right? Everybody on the internet's a fucking expert. Well, how is it that all of a sudden everybody on the internet's a fucking expert in everything?
Yeah.
In health, in wealth, in fucking psychology. It's just like everybody's an expert.
It's facts.
So like everybody's just trying to sell somebody something, right? It's like every day I'm on Instagram, I see some fucking new day trading guy coming along. Hey everybody, I'm different than everybody else. It's like, why are you different? Well, I'm different because my Discord's only $250 a month. I'm like, you ain't fucking different. You're just another fucking faggot trying to sell some bullshit. It's all just bullshit. Bullshit. Con man, I just want to make enough to get by. 100%, bro.
Hey,
I mean, that's the goal. That's
Yep,
the dream
that's the goal.
right there, my friend. Yeah, Tori trades. Tori trades don't make fucking money. She makes money selling Discords and chats. Yeah, if your Discord seller ain't old enough to drink, you got a problem. Can you give us ideas to be entrepreneurs, PW? I mean, landscaping, pressure washing, fucking clean roofs. That's what I love. People are like, man, I want to start a business. I'm like,
hey,
there you
there's
go.
A lot of
landscaping, pressure washing,
car detailing, whatever
car
it is.
detailing. Like that's all just jobs that are always going to be needed. So don't fucking be like, I can't get a job. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. House painting. I mean, that depends on what you do. Cleaning shoes, dog poop. I mean, yeah. Being a stripper. I mean, also a possibility.
Washing trash cans. Yeah. I mean, there's a demand for a lot of those. So you want something that there's always going to be typically a demand for, chat.
It's just people always need their shit done.
Yeah.
Everyone always needs their fucking car details. And it's like one of those things too, like you do like a good job for one guy, he tells his buddy.
Yep.
You know, like
always.
DMoney used my guy, now he's like, well, fuck, that guy's good, I'll use him again. You know, like it's just like word of mouth. I don't know. I just think that like I'm tired of the whole like victim mentality. Everybody's a victim. Everybody talks about how their life is hard. And it's just like, yeah, well, everybody's life's hard.
Yeah.
Everyone's got problems, right? Like everyone's
It's
like,
true.
ain't nobody got less problems than nobody else.
Yeah.
Just because some guy has a bunch of money don't mean he got less problems. All right, I got more problems than anybody. Most of them mental problems, but you know, I'd battle with that.
Yeah.
And I gotta, you know, I also like, I know what is gonna put me, you know, on tilt. I know what's gonna like ruin my day. So I try to avoid that stuff, right? I try to wake up in the morning. I try to do something active. I try to get my energy going in the morning. You know, I try to like, I plan my day out that I'm like, hey, what is gonna maximize my, you know, mental ability?
Yeah.
And then also what's gonna hurt me, right? Like I told Victoria, it's so important in the morning for me. Like I need to have a good morning, right? I don't want to wake up and fucking start fighting about how I didn't fucking, you know, I don't know, just something stupid and put your shoes away last night or something. I'm like, I don't need that shit in my life. I don't need to hear about how, you know, I took a shit last night and didn't flush the toilet. Just flush it and don't talk about it. But you know, like I don't need to start the day off already like in a defensive mode.
Nah,
because I already got to deal with the chat and everything else and the whole internet constantly trying to say I'm a scam. And it's just like, let me live my life, people. That's what I love. People are like, Patrick Williams is a scam. And I'm like, what's the scam? We are literally here day trading, giving out fucking trades all day.
All day. It's crazy, man.
Like,
all day.
where are we? Like, what's the scam? I tell people, I'm like, don't buy my course. Don't fucking become a day trader. You know, go get a real job. Shut the fuck up. I mean, like, where's the scam?
So many DMs, guys, people getting payouts, all that stuff. I had a guy reach out to me last week. Got his first payout, guys, and he's been through a rough time as far as his life, maybe made some wrong decisions and all that stuff, and trying to turn his life around, and he got his first payout. So that's we love to hear it, guys. If you guys are getting payouts and all that stuff, drop us.
I had a guy yesterday. He said he just got out of jail. He's like, Patrick, I've been watching you in jail. I just got out. I'm ready to change my life. I'm like,
man.
I'm like, that's pretty fucking sick.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, you know, hey, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Like, hey, you know, like, I mean, yeah, no, I'm like, all right, sick. Like, that's fucking sick, right? Like,
yep.
That is like kind of, I mean, you probably, now you're getting to the point, right, too, where like people are hitting you up like, hey, man, you inspire me. Like,
yeah,
it's weird,
time,
right?
man.
When someone says, oh, I'm inspired by you. I'm like, I'm just retarded. And just like, I did everything that everyone told me not to do.
Yeah.
Right? Like everything in life, I've just done opposite of what everyone else told me to do. Like everyone else told me to play it safe. Everyone told me to have a normal job, go to college,
but
have a family,
right there,
right? Like,
guys, he's right. If you listen to what PW is saying, guys, that right there is, in my opinion, that's the key to being successful, guys. Because if you go with the grain, if you're always going with the grain, guess what?
If you listen to everyone around you, like,
yeah.
where are you gonna go? You're going nowhere.
Yep.
Because it's not
Facts.
because it's not that people like want to see you fail. It's just that like everybody's afraid, right? No matter what they say, they're afraid, right? Somebody like, I'm sure you have people, you know, you're like, hey man, you know, like go get a new job, like, you know, apply yourself somewhere else. They're like, I don't know, man. I've been working this place forever. Like,
I'm comfortable.
Like, you know, it's afraid.
Yep.
Like they're afraid to
take that risk.
Take a risk.
I was talking about that last week as well. Yeah.
You know, like that's the scary
crazy,
part.
man.
Like it's scary to do something that's not like the norm.
Yeah.
Right? To start a business, to do anything, like it's scary.
Yep.
And that's what people like. People are just ingrained from a young age. Like our parents, you know, their parents, the school, everything that we do in life. What do they do? Right? They say like DMoney's out there on the fucking basketball court playing, and your mom's like, "Be careful, D. Be careful out there.
Yeah.
Don't get ran over by the big kids."
Yeah.
You know, like you with your daughter, you tell your daughter like, "Be careful
all the time.
Don't fall down." To be honest, I never tell Landon to be careful. I literally watch him do something, and I tell Victoria, I'm like, oh, he about to get fucked up. Like he about to get fucked up. And it's hilarious because he does something, and then I'm like, I look at him, he's like, I'm like, what happened? He goes, oh, you know, I fell on my bike. I'm like, yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. But I wanted you to see. Like I wanted you to see what happened when you fucked around.
Yeah.
You know, and it's like you just got, the only way, there's some things in life you just gotta you gotta learn. Right? You gotta smoke crack at least once to know that you don't like it. I mean I was kidding, I never smoked crack.
I was like, hold on, guys. We went left real quick. We were good.
He's like, man, this is motivational. And then all of a sudden he's like, nah, I can't do that. I can't do that.
Oh, man.
Guys, I have never done cocaine, okay? I've only smelt it a few times. I don't know nothing about cocaine. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, I'm still long on NVIDIA here. Are we going to get the target hit today? Like, it's so weird, like, watching my little stock trade. I'm like, I'm up 135 bucks. Like, futures and stocks, I mean, it's a totally different beast, you know, leverage-wise. Because you think, like, right now, we're up, I'm long from 192.80. So, I mean, you know, trading futures like that, I would be done. I would have taken that, right? That's pretty good.
I mean, NQ's trying to build out here, guys, for more upside, right? You can kind of see it building out. You had a retracement to 25,780. You had the next candle was obviously bullish. Current candle, nice bottom wick, and then you took out 806, so you would be trying to see if we could get back above 818, maybe targeting like 830 area, right? So it's starting to kind of build out to the upside here, right? You get above 817, you're targeting for higher highs, obviously. So it's starting to kind of build out to more upside, so it seems at the moment. Going into a 1 hour candle close, it is extremely bullish. Keep that in mind, guys, right? So you got about 5 minutes, 20 seconds left on the current 1 hour candle.
All right, in all honesty, chat, I do got to say one thing in all honesty. I think the secret to life is having fun, right? No matter what you do, just have fun, right? And I get it. Not every job's fun, but you can make it fun in a certain way, right? You work at fucking Target, you do stocking, like just have a good time, right? Just be better, I guess, is like the way to look at it, right? Like everybody's having a shitty day. You go into work, you know, just fucking be like, hey, I'm gonna be here for 8 hours, whatever it is. Like, let me just, let me just try to have a better day, right? So I think that's like, if you can get to a point where you can just stop yourself from like having a bad day, no matter what. I get it, right? Everyone has had bad days, good days, but it's just like mentally getting to a point where you're like, you kind of just laugh at it. You know, like, hey, your wife left you, your kids hate you, you're fat and you're old. Kind of laugh about it. Like, that's kind of funny, right? My life's kind of, I mean, but that's all. I'm just being honest. Like, I think if you, whatever you do in life, just kind of have fun with it, and you'll be like, that's the secret.
It's true,
right? You'll be a lot better off if you're just trying to at least have fun with it. Sometimes trading, there's those days where you're like, no matter what you do, the market's just gonna do the exact opposite.
Yep.
Right? And those are the days where you're like, fuck it, like, am I bad at trading? Am I retarded? Like, what is it, you know? But you forget that you're like, hey, like sometimes I do this too, right? Where like I get so focused on the fact that I'm having a red day. I'm red on the day, whatever it is, right? And then I get all like, you know, upset with myself. And then I go home and I fucking sit there and I stare at the wall and I'm like, fuck, you know, I lost money. But then I don't sit there and think about like, yeah, but I'm up, you know, $500,000 on the year.
Yeah.
Right? Like you gotta like put it in perspective. Like, hey, you had one red day, but what are you up? Like, how much money are you up? I took $80,000 in payouts. You're like, oh, who the fuck cares about the red day then?
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's just like, I think life advice would be just to have fun with it, no matter what you're doing. If you have fun with it, just life is way easier. My dad used to always say that. We'd work on the roof. It's fucking hot as shit out. You're fucking tearing off a roof. And, you know, like, you could be miserable. You could bitch about it. Or you just say, hey, fuck it. It is what it is. I got to just fucking get it done. So, the true joy in life. Just got to be happy. What do you think? What's your secret?
So,
you worked with people. You've done all kinds of jobs.
Oh, man. Yeah, I've done.
Seen different personalities. Like, what do you think is truly, like, what makes somebody just a better off than somebody else?
Trying to see the positive, even if it's, you know, maybe it didn't work out the way you wanted, a situation. Maybe you had a bad trading day, guys, but looking at the positives. So I always try to do that myself, to be honest, because, I mean, and you guys will hear me say that all the time, like, even on stream. Maybe we'll get somebody that makes a comment in the chat or something, and I'll be like, guys, at the end of the day, I'm blessed. Right? Like, I'm doing something this is my dream job. Like, literally, it is. So, like, you got to look at the positives, guys. You always try to look at, it could always be worse. That's like a thing that I try to live by. It could always be worse, guys.
Fuck yeah.
Right? So you lose on a trade, you have a red day, it can always be worse.
It can always be worse.
Like, think about it.
I mean, that's like, you know, the kind of the mental, right? Where it's like, instead of being like, oh man, this is so bad, like, this is a privilege, right? Like, it's a privilege that you're able to day trade.
Yep.
Right? It's a privilege that you're able to be like, hey, I lost $1,000 a day. Right? Like, that's a privilege. Because, like, the fact that I even have $1,000 to lose. Right? Like, that's kind of like.
A lot of people don't have it.
It's kind of, like, there's people out there that would die just to have an extra $1,000. And you're like, well, I got money saved. You know, everything's going. I'm living. Like, I think you got to, like, when you have these issues, like, you know, I'm like, hey, I got to pay $2 million in taxes. I'm like,
that's a good problem to have.
It's a privilege, right? It's a privilege that I have to worry about paying $2 million in taxes. Because most people will never even make $2 million, and I'm paying that just in taxes. So I'm like, it's a privilege. I'm lucky. I'm doing it, man. Right now, the NASDAQ, it's just like, this is one of those setups where it's just like, it's kind of just grinding.
Slow grinding,
you know, like, I truly, like, it's just not much to do here. Not to say that it can't go higher. It's just like, I would want to see like more of a pull. I just like would want to see some kind of
decent pullback.
Yeah, and that's the funny thing is like there's plenty of days where you just don't get that pullback. But I think the fact that we had such a good pullback there earlier, we made money on that move up. I have to basically say, hey, I did my job for the day.
Yeah,
I was patient. I waited for my setup. I made money. Now it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to lunch. Fuck. Right? I'm out of here. Fuck it. That's normally what I would do if I wasn't trading live on YouTube. But here we are trading live on YouTube. We are long on NVIDIA here. We're trying to get a move up through the highs here. 193.50 area. See if it happens. Right now, Warbucks. We got the 50K account. Chat, we got the 50K account. It's normally 240. But if you use the code today, it's only $199. This is only gonna last 24 hours. This is like it's too good to be true kind of deal. We got the 5K account. It's $36. But the 50K account, it's $199 right now. Nasdaq pulling back here a little bit. If you haven't already checked out warbucksbtc.com, the easiest way to trade stocks, no PDT. We've got all the top stocks to trade. Oh God, right when I say that, here goes the Nvidia pullback. But yeah, we going, baby. We're just doing it, making a little bit of money. You can see how nice the platform is too. Like, this is my stop loss. I can just kind of move it up and down really easy. Bam, bam, bam. Got my take profit up there as well. Just kind of drag and drop. This is, you know, basically trading view.
Yeah.
So if you've used trading view in the past, well, you'd be very familiar with it. Yeah. You can buy, sell, put your orders on there, all that stuff. So yeah, that's what I got. I'll probably just let this trade ride for the rest of the day and kind of see if we get continuation here today. If not, risking $50 basically to make a little profit. I could even move this. Let's move this like to here. So yeah, we're risking literally $40 now at this point for possibly 300. Maybe I'll move it to like here. So that's still a great, like right below. Wait, I want it like right below 194. And I would just like let this ride and go to lunch kind of thing, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's guys, you have NQ related 25,880, right, would be the level that pretty much the first area, if you kind of look at the higher time frame, that could be an area of resistance if they really, you know, if it starts to kind of continue this upside swing. You got a new 1 hour candle that just opened up right now, so that's probably why we're getting a bit of a pullback. So, but you know, formation wise, you would expect if the bullish momentum is going to continue, we get a push down like we're having now, open of the new 1 hour candle, and then price expands to the upside, right, for continuation. So just be mindful of that. New 1 hour candle could be a retracement here, kind of form out some kind of bottom wick and then expand up. And it feels like one of those days so far, right? It's 11 o'clock. We talked about it. Yesterday's daily candle range at the pre-market kind of setup that we had, pre-market, getting ready for the market open up. We talked about yesterday's range, guys. Keep that in mind. We had a 700-point daily candle yesterday. So the current candle, if you kind of map it out, doesn't mean that it has to do the same thing, right? But it's 260 points. So just be mindful of that, chat. Could be more upside here coming.
This 15-minute chart kind of looking like it wants to like, could dip down here below the 780 area just to like kind of take out those
Swipe
lows.
those
You can
lows.
see how it kind of did that earlier. You know, the 10 o'clock candle kind of swiped the lows and then
push.
So
Right
we'll
back
see.
up.
Hourly
high.
candle obviously just open here. It's 11 o'clock. So if you want this hourly candle to be bullish, like DMoney always says, you kind of want that pullback first, right?
Yeah.
Also, like 5-minute chart, I think there's pain, right? There's like people have their stops below this 780 level here. So it's kind of like swipe it and then we get that push. I think it's like whenever like we're like kind of hanging out where all those like where you just know there's guys who have their stops at 780s, right? Like you just know it.
For a fact.
You know? Someone said 30-minute doji. Yeah, had a 30-minute doji. PW, take me under your wing. I mean, you're here under my wing right now, sir. Just hang out on the live stream free.
Mm-hmm.
No charge needed.
Do us a solid, guys. We're at 2,300 likes. Can we get to 2,500 plus? We hit 3,000 plus likes yesterday, guys, on the stream. Feel like we dropped a lot of sauce. Not just trading. We're talking about life in general, chat. So you can't put a cost on that. But the stream, however, is free. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. You know what to do. We appreciate the support. PWD like cinnamon rolls.
What?
Somebody said PWD like cinnamon rolls. This is that time, that 10:30 to 11:30 area where we get people start feeling free. They start the questions up. So somebody wants to know if you like cinnamon rolls.
Well, look what's happening.
Pull back. Yep.
Where we just pull back to? I mean, I don't want to say I told you so, but I mean,
and swiped.
There we go.
Got him.
Swiping those lows.
Got him.
Interesting, right? Very interesting how that works sometimes. Gotta love it. So now we see what happens here. We got this kind of next area, 760, to see what happens, but... And people would wonder, be like, okay, where do you get long at? Well, at this point, I wouldn't get long until, well, I'd say we get back above 800, right?
Yeah, we need to take out that, for me, yeah, 808.
Yeah,
The
that
808
5-minute candle high.
Yeah. So we're right at the 14 on the 5-minute chart, guys. 25,007 at 780, and look at the flush, right? So this is the area that PW is talking about. So those long, if you had stops there, you got stopped out, and then now you're testing that 760 area that PW just called out as well, right? We're pretty close to it.
God, sometimes I impress myself, chat. Sometimes I truly do. It's amazing how that works. Look at this.
And no top wick, very small top wick on the current 1 hour candle as well, chat. So that's great if you're a bull. You like to see that, and you like the retracement because you're thinking that, hey, this is just simply a retracement down to go higher. So we'll see how it plays out.
Oil pumped back up. It was bear flagging. I saw someone in the chat talking about that. Is there a reason I did not short? I mean, just because I think the market's going to pull back doesn't mean that I'm going to get short, right? It just kind of is what it is. I know that's like, it's easy to like sit here and be like, well, why would you not get short if you think it's going to pull back? Well, like, obviously I don't know for sure. I'm just looking at the chart going, hey, this kind of looks interesting, right? That 5-minute kind of setup. We got a little bit of a double top here now. We broke through these lows there. You know, that would be, someone said, yeah, maybe the higher low or a lower high. I agree, right? Like, let's say even then, but it's like, even if we get up here, maybe we get stuck below 25,800 and then we roll over. So why is it that when mentally something will happen, it happens, but then when you trade it, it doesn't happen? I mean, that goes both ways. I think
it'll even out the longer you trade.
I think we had plenty of trades today that we thought were gonna happen, and we took a trade. Because now it's just like, yes, I believe that it was gonna break to the downside and take out those lows, but it's like, well, where's my entry at, right? That's like the way I'm looking at it. Okay, I'm like, can't really get short here, right? It's just like ding, 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 very slowly pulling back into support. So like mentally, like I ain't gonna get short there. And right now you can see this push already coming back up. So it's like asking why your opponent makes a chess move to counter your chess move. You're right. Someone in the chat said they took a short, made money on that when I said that there were stops down there. Hey, that's cool too. That's cool too, man. I'm not mad about it. Would getting long make sense? No, not really.
Not right now, yeah.
I just let it play out more. You got 3 5-minute, red. This candle's about to close. I mean, truly now you just kind of I would be like, you want it ding, ding, and then maybe a pop back up. So the more that we can like obviously kind of consolidate, the better, above that 780 level. And you watched the WNBA draft last night?
I did.
Yeah, buddy.
I did, yeah.
I love that D-Money just don't even care. Somebody else be like, no, I never watched that. But
yeah. So you got was it AZ Fudd guy? She's going to Dallas, so #1 draft pick. So she's following Paige Becker. Obviously they're dating as well. So that,
wait, what?
Go figure. Yeah. Yep.
Wait, what?
Yep.
They
so
date?
yeah, they're dating.
It's a man and a woman?
No, it's 2 women.
Two
Yeah.
women?
Yep.
So wait, you're gonna have, like now it's gonna be lesbian play in the WNBA?
that's all. It's a lot
sick.
of WNBA.
Maybe a little
unfortunately.
lesbian
Yeah.
action. I think that'll get the ratings up.
Oh man.
Let's get the ratings up, chat.
So, yeah, she went #1, guys. I didn't watch the whole draft, but I watched like the first couple picks.
More lesbian action in the WA. I would watch.
Oh, man.
We need more lesbian action.
So they're gonna be pretty good, to be honest, because Paige is good, and AZ I think has the best jump shot out there, chat. Not gonna lie. AZ foot is hot. Yeah, I mean, she's pretty attractive.
Someone said the action is in the showers, man. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get the showers on, Prime
man.
TV, but I'm just saying, maybe just a little bit more action on the court. You got new Pokemon cards out there. Lick a lot of pusses.
Man.
Guys, don't talk too much about WNBA. D-Money gonna get sad, okay? That is his dream in life is to own a WNBA team, okay? I don't know why y'all hating on this man.
Ownership.
He wants to be an owner of a WNBA team. How much is a WNBA team?
Now we gotta pull it up because
I want to see what's the WNBA.
minimum now.
Buy me a WNBA team.
Yeah, the minimum now for players is like $400,000. So after that agreement, 400 to 500,000.
Holy shit! This is a joke. They scamming.
Telling you, it's crazy.
269 million?
It's crazy now.
First off, why is it 269?
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, holy.
But
fuck,
it's
dude.
it's going up.
Golden State Valkyries 500 million.
And they're brand new.
Chicago
that's a brand
Sky
new team.
240.
Yeah.
I thought we were like a 250K.
Nah.
I thought for 250K I was buying the WNBA
No,
team.
so AZ Fudd's contract, guys, first year 500,000.
This I don't believe it. This is a scam. They're doing.
So,
they're inflating the
for
books,
#1
sir.
pick.
They're inflating the books somehow.
So
I should open a Discord so I could buy a WNBA team. Should we start a GoFundMe?
I know, right? Let's start.
Guys, how much can we donate? We got 1 million subscribers, so we need $30 per person,
Man.
right? For 300 million.
Mm-hmm.
Chat, come on. We'll change the name of the WNBA team to BDH. That would be hilarious. The Big Dick House for the fucking WNBA team. They'd be like, "What's the BDH?" That's Big Dick House. Look, we got somebody gonna donate 100. Man, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. Now I know why D-Money watches. He's trying to get that money. BDH Arena. That would be a vibe.
Yeah, BDH Arena.
All right, I like that.
Yeah.
All right, what else could we buy? We need to figure out what is like $1 million value that we can buy. What kind of team can we buy? What's $1 million team? Let me look. Google. What's a professional team sport I can buy for $1 million? Let's see. All right.
Pretty strong reaction here as well, guys, on NQ, right? Right back up.
All right, we could buy a minor league baseball team for $30 million.
That's crazy.
Professional arena soccer? Ugh. I don't know about that one. International soccer club. Maybe we'll buy an international soccer club. We'll turn it into the BDH International. For $1 million in Europe, you can buy a team in Europe for $1 million. What do you think, chat? Bad idea or good idea? Seems like you can buy minor league baseball teams for like 20, 30 million as well. But I don't know about that one. But I saw the big thing right now with baseball teams and stuff is that like new stuff where it's I don't know, like I don't know what you call it, but it's like banana baseball. Have you seen that?
No, I haven't seen.
You haven't seen that? It's like they do like it's like a show. It's more of like a comedy show than baseball, but it's popping off. You guys know what I'm talking about?
So it's kind of like Harlem, like the Globetrotters of baseball, like the baseball
it's like
version.
a new thing, right? It's fucking hilarious.
Oh, Savannah Banana?
Yeah, Savannah Bananas. And they're making money, dude. They're selling out. Like, look at the fucking stadium. Yeah, this guy, he started this whole thing, and yeah, they just do like this fucking dude. The stadium is full of people.
It's crazy, man.
That's crazy. But yeah, they do. It's like all just like funny shit, like dances and like starting to be a thing. Yeah, they're absolutely killing it right now. You guys, anybody, and maybe we should have the BDH like in baseball team. I don't know anything about baseball. You know baseball?
Yeah, I know baseball.
You know baseball?
Yeah, I used to play
like,
Little League back in the day.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Get the baseball glove
guys,
out, chat.
Guys, I was
what were you? What'd you play?
I played shortstop, outfield.
You were in charge of the bat.
And I was a pitcher.
You were the pitcher?
Oh yeah, I was a pitcher too.
You're the pitcher now. Okay. We're gonna have. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, guys. So hey,
you know what we need to have? I think we need to have the Olympics of the BDH.
Oh, that would be lit. That would be lit.
Me versus D-Money in every Olympic sport possible.
Yeah, that would be lit. D-Money played everything. Longs here, guys, on the break of that previous candle's high, right? So you like the retracement from 782 right back up. This is starting to look pretty promising here for an attempt trying to get back to 800.
The funny thing is, I mean, it fucking played out so textbook right now, huh? Like, just hilariously textbook sometimes. You got to love it. Like, it's like, I think a lot of times the market ends up just it's like, you just got to laugh about it because you're like, hey, look. What did it do? It did exactly what we talked about doing.
Yep, and there it is, guys. There's your pop to right at 800. You gotta love it.
Someone goes, I believed in D-Money until he started playing ping pong. I'll never get fooled again. See, I knew it. Chat, y'all were, everybody was so, everyone thought that D-Money was gonna beat me at ping pong. That did not go well, did it? Exactly. D-Money doesn't strike you as a lover of winter sports? Put him on the snowboarding? You ever snowboarded?
Nah.
You ever skied?
Nope.
No, nothing on the snow?
Nah.
Have you rode a tube?
So guys, I know we talked about sushi yesterday, and people were like, guys. So skiing, I mean, I would love to try it. I would love to do snowboarding as well, but I just haven't tried it yet, guys. Haven't experienced that yet. That would be pretty cool. Stay away from sports, D-Money. Oh man, it's like that. Why?
Why y'all hating on D-Money right now?
Why?
Man.
Come on, chat.
Poor D-Money getting the haters.
Come on, man.
Why y'all hating on D-Money, man?
Come on, man. Take Jerome skiing. Yeah, that would be hilarious. That would be hilarious. D-Money can't even catch eggs.
Where's oh man, this is a great story. Yesterday, right? We go into the sub shop and we walk in the sub shop. The girl in the sub shop, she's like, oh, you know, which one of you drives that Mercedes? And I was like, oh, he does.
Yeah, PW said it quick, guys, by the way.
Yeah, he does. And she's like, oh, that's my dream car. And I was like, yeah, it was his dream car too. It's so funny, like, you know, like the kind of those situations where it's like that girl, like, yeah, it was my dream car. And you're like, yeah, it used to be my dream car too. So kind of like a full circle moment, right? Where you're like, yeah, I drive that car now. And there's people out there that are like, dude, that's my fucking dream car.
It's crazy, man.
It's fucking sick. Fucking sick. What, where's like dream trip other than Jamaica? We know Jamaica, but like, it's somewhere crazy. Like, where would you like truly, like, where would be a crazy place for D-Money to travel to?
Probably like Brazil or something like that.
Brazil?
Yeah.
God, we gotta work on D-Money's fucking dreams of stuff. Brazil.
As far as
I mean, you live in Miami, bro.
Yeah.
You've been to Brazil. Trust me.
Yeah, like, I mean, as far as places I've never been that would be crazy, I think Thailand, right?
Okay.
Looking
what about,
at that.
Europe. We're gonna get you some, like, somewhere in Europe. Be funny as fuck. Put D-Money in some Lederhosen. Oktoberfest.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, as long as the food's good, guys.
Come on, I already got, guys, we gotta get D-Money in some Lederhosen.
All right, there's your pop there, guys.
Oh my lord, D-Money killing it.
There's the pop. So who took the longs there? Drop a W in the chat if you took the longs. You got to love that.
I'm about to order this for DMoney, his lederhosen outfit. I think Big Brawly Man gonna like this. What do you guys think? What do you think for DMoney? Coffee, matte black, or brown? I don't know. I think DMoney would look good in the coffee. What do you think? Is that what do you think, Chad? I think DMoney be looking good in that. I'm just saying.
Oh man.
I'm still long on Nvidia. I'm gonna hold this thing till the close, I think, honestly, right?
Yeah, it's grinding up to the upside.
Just
This is one of
grinding
those
again.
days. This is one of those days, guys, where you put it on, let it ride. There's 813.
Still pushing.
Yeah.
Right now, Warbucks, if you haven't already checked it out. Come on. Guys, you're telling me that DMoney would not look good in this outfit right here. Come on. Me and DMoney, we're going to be looking so good at Oktoberfest. That's me. That's DMoney's outfit. That's me. Not DMoney. Look at a little thing. A little thing in your pocket there. NASDAQ making new highs right now. Oh,
there
my
it is.
Lord.
Yep, there it is, guys. 824.
This is crazy. I don't want to say I'm the best to ever do it, D. But is there anybody else doing it better? Is there anybody else doing it better, chat? I want
Payouts. Look at the
again,
payouts.
let's just replay it really quickly. What exactly happened? Look at that 15-minute chart. And I'm not even trying to toot my own horn, but I think this is just proof that retard maxing is the goal here, right? We have to ask ourselves before we enter the trade, we're like, hey, has anybody got trapped? Right? Is there anything about this setup that makes me think that there's somebody trapped?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you know, when we were basically just like consolidating up there, I'm like, there's no reason really to go higher yet. Because, well, there's no trap yet.
Yeah.
Right? Like, it's too easy. We need that pullback, take out those stops, trap people, and then
she gone. So there it is, guys. 25,826. You gotta love it. If you haven't already, guys, do us a solid. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. Pretty banging long call out there. You gotta love it. We rolling.
Texas Victoria told her that we got the world championship of offshore fishing next week.
Next week, right?
Right. We leave for Costa Rica on Friday, and I was just texting Victoria. I said, are you ready? Because there's a female top angler.
Oh.
Top female
she
angler award.
She's gonna be fired up.
And I'm like, you got to win that.
Yeah, she's
right?
ready.
I mean, it's hard to win the male award because there's so many guys.
Yeah.
But to be honest, like, you know, the girl is way easier to win because, well, there's not 200 girls fishing.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, yeah, Victoria, you're going to win that. Victoria is going to be the #1 female angler in the world when I'm done with her. When I'm done with her. All right, dude, I might get back into this stock trading stuff, man. You know what's crazy is like trading stocks is so much easier now after trading futures for so long. Because it's just like the patterns are the same.
Yeah.
Right? I'd say
It
like
might take
stocks
longer
are
to
just
play
a
out.
little less like trappy.
Yeah.
Right? Overall direction, very similar.
Yeah, they're more forgiving, it feels
They're
like,
more
right?
forgiving.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. We're printing right now, chat.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely printing right now.
D-Money, why haven't you done a wellness check on Big Brawly Man? Yeah, because there's no need for me to do a wellness check on Big Brawly. I'm not Big Brawly. Clearly, Big Brawly Man is fine, chat. My mom.
Big Brawly Man?
Yeah, my mom. If you guys missed that, my mom was watching the stream and
She loves Big Brawly Man.
she shout out. I don't think she's a fan of Big Brawly
No!
because yeah, Big
What's
Brawly.
Mama got against Big Brawly?
Big Brawly was being a little too aggressive, and she was happy I gave him a timeout.
Okay.
So. Shout out to Big Brawly.
What's your mom's name?
Gwen.
Gwen.
Yeah. Yep.
I can see. Yeah, Gwen.
Yeah.
D-Money mom, Miss
Miss
I
Gwen,
call her
yeah.
Miss Gwen.
Yeah, that's how.
Miss
yeah.
Gwen?
Yep, Miss Gwen.
Yeah,
Yep.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We gotta get a little. We gotta meet D-Money's mom at some point.
Yeah.
Shout out to D-Money's mom if she's watching. Gwen, what's good? Don't worry. I'll take care of your boy. Make sure nobody gets him. I know he's small and scrawny. But don't worry. I'll protect him. I'll make sure Big Brawly Man don't take advantage of him.
Oh man.
I'm gonna make sure. D-Money, we're gonna put these Nikes on. You're gonna run fast,
Yeah,
Big
run
Brawly
fast.
Man.
She's gonna be dying. If she's watching, guys, she's gonna be dying laughing. Oh
Man.
tell Patrick, tell him I said hi and I was watching what he said. Like that's how she is.
The funniest thing is like my Nana, she watches and stuff, and she used to watch like me traveling all over the world and stuff. And I had this one British guy that I used to travel with all the time. His name is Sam.
Yeah.
And he was British as fuck, and like absolutely like just insanely British. And my Nana always would be like, "Oh, I love Sam. Where's Sam? You gotta put Sam. Where's Sam? What's Sam?" I'm like, "What about me?" She's like, "What's Sam doing? Where's Sam at?
Yeah.
Tell Sam I like seen him." I'm like, "Fuck me, okay? Thanks, Nana. You're more worried about Sam than worried about me. It's fucked up." Man, what a day, boys. I mean, it's like this is just textbook trading. Basic trading. No order flow, no fucking bullshit, I mean nothing. Just trading. That's like, I think it's hilarious when you think about it. And look at this 15-minute setup. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's hilarious. Because what do we have, right? I think there's just like, there's something to be said about the wicks, right? For us to go higher, we need a wick to the downside because that's propulsion.
Yeah.
Right? Think about it like that's propulsion. The market is propelling itself higher. Look at this, 844 now. Shout out to D-Money calling out the longs there. And it absolutely is just going to the moon.
Look at the 1 hour chart now.
Come on.
Remember how the 1 hour
Look,
chart
and
had
literally-
super bearish and not look at it now.
Yeah.
Look at the 1 hour chart, guys. Look at
This
that bottom
is
wick.
textbook. And
Textbook.
where do we pull back? We pulled back right to that high of that last 1 hour candle. Right to the middle of that candle. I mean, I don't want to say I told you so, but if we went back and we rewind this whole stream, I don't think there's one thing that I said today that did not play out.
No, it all played
Right?
out.
I mean, it's just like, because it's also, if you
played out.
look at this chart here, I think there's something to be said. Like, it's kind of like the flat bottoms always get invalidated, right? They always get tested. Like flat bottoms always kind of just like get tested. I don't know why, but it's something about it, right? Even at open.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny. Like we basically, right before open, we kind of broke below those lows and then we just fucking went to the moon. But might be something to think about. Like if we're consolidating and we're like going sideways and we have a very flat range,
Yeah.
then it's like, what's the catalyst to like break that range? What do you think is the catalyst?
If we have a flat range.
If we
what's
have
the
a
catalyst
flat
to break
range
it?
and we're going sideways, what do we normally do before we like make a move? We break that range.
You break the range, yeah.
right? Either to the upside or downside. It's kind of like we need to like,
Yeah, you can map it out.
you got to
and
trap
wait for-
people, let the range break, and then it's like, hey,
Then you
I
get a
mean, there's also
continuation.
the theory today is like, hey, let's say you're a firm believer in the 15-minute range, and you're like, I'm not gonna get long until we retest the 15-minute range.
Well, you just,
Well, there you got it.
You
Like,
got
that's the setup, right? It played out.
764. Yeah. Hey, your stop would have been less than 10 points.
Phew.
That's crazy. Look at the expansion, guys. So keep in mind, we talked about 25,886 being the bottom of the higher time frame daily charts, kind of like that support area. That would be kind of tapping into, resistance area, right? 25,877 up to 26,018, guys. Keep that level in mind because we're getting pretty close. You gotta love it. $4,000 payout, third week in a row. Thank you, boys. Hey, Sammy. Hey, congrats. You did all the work though. We don't hit buy or sell for you, so.
Wait, what? I do. I have my private chat room. I actually press buy and sell for everybody.
I know, right?
I just sent a picture to Victoria. I just got an email for some bikinis. I think it's time, honey. Time for some new bikinis for Victoria. What should I get her? I don't know. I like that little bottom there. Ooh, boys. Ooh, boys. It's funny, when I first started dating Victoria, she obviously, like, she's from Canada. She lived in Texas, Miami, but like, I lived in Hawaii, for a long time, and like, girls in Hawaii wear little tiny bikinis. So it's funny, like, coming back here to Florida and like tell my girlfriend, I'm like, hey, you got way too much clothes. It's like, what do you mean? I'm like, you got to get a way smaller bikini. Like, let's show off the world, honey. Show the world that fucking body that you work so hard for. Gotta show it. Show it off. Shoo.
Still grinding.
Still going.
You gotta love it, chat. This is the day that we got.
Basic trading.
Yeah, basic trading.
It's basic trading. Where the haters at now?
Yeah, they gone.
Where the haters at now? Right now, I'm not even lying. We got Warbucks on sale. You can buy a 50K account with Warbucks. This is the platform. Start trading your favorite stocks today. That's right. We got Nvidia, we got Apple, we got Tesla, basically every top stock, major cap stock. You can trade with Warbucks now for as little as $36. The 50K account is $199. Normally it's $300. We have it marked down. We're doing one more sale, so it's $199. You can start trading equities if you're not a fan of futures or vice versa. Or maybe you're trading futures and you also want to trade equities. Well, guess what? You can do it. So shout out to Warbucks right now, making the moves. Lots of opportunities out there. I'm telling people, when I first started trading, it was hard, right? Like you had to go sign up for a normal broker.
Yeah.
You had to put money into it. Then you had to deal with the PDT rule. Like,
man,
being a trader 8 years ago was hard.
Yeah, it was hard.
There was no Robinhood.
Yeah.
There was no there was not really any prop firms. Yeah, it was just it was very just difficult. And so not only was day trading difficult, but now it was you had to find a broker. You had to be able to deal with the commissions. You had to deal with the PDT. There were so many things going against you when you first started out as a day trader that you couldn't even focus on the day trading because you were so worried about
breaking
PDT.
the rule. Yep.
Worried about this, I remember
they got
I would
me
be
so
in a
many
trade
times on the PDT, man.
and I wouldn't even take profit because fuck, if I take profit, I gotta wait till tomorrow.
Yep.
I gotta wait till tomorrow to take profit.
Yeah,
and then I wouldn't take profit the next morning. It would gap down and I'd blow up my account. And it was just there were so many things against me. And that's what I love about the prop firms now is I get it, right? Maybe you don't love all the rules and blah, 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 but it's from the overall ease of use, for $36, you can start trading to get a payout. That's crazy to me.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Right? That's crazy. Back in the day, I paid $36 just to be able to fucking trade because it was $12 commission.
Yeah.
Every time you took a trade, you paid $30. You're what the fuck?
Yep.
I made $5 total because I had to pay $40 in commissions.
Facts.
And that's 100% a fact. And people don't even know about that. I've been through that, man. Have to call your broker and be I'm stuck. I remember calling Robinhood and being I can't sell. I can't sell. And they'd be oh, sorry, you're PDT.
Yeah.
I'm well, fuck, what do I do?
Man.
They're well, if you sell, your account's going to get banned for 30 days. I had
yep.
my
That happened to
account
me
got
before.
banned at TD
That happened to me
Ameritrade,
before.
E-Trade, Robinhood.
Yep. I got the ban at E-Trade.
I had 7 different
days.
brokers, and every single one of them got banned for PDT. You gotta love it.
Yep.
And it's such bullshit too because 100% the PDT rule
It's
is
just
the
to
biggest
slow you down
scam.
for making money. That's
It's
all
the
it is.
biggest scam
Yeah.
ever.
It's
Right?
to
The
slow you
government,
down.
I don't even know what they're thinking.
Yep.
I think the PDT rule is the worst thing for a new trader because it pushes traders to sketchy brokers. It pushes them to Forex. Right? A new trader going and trading Forex. Oh my, why?
Oh man. Yeah. I've
Well,
been down that road.
what a
Yep.
terrible idea. And I see it all the time. I meet traders all the time, and they're oh yeah, I trade Forex. People are yeah, I watch you trading NASDAQ, but I trade Forex. I'm but why? They're oh, I trade NASDAQ on a Forex broker. But I'm why? That's not why, why would you trade NASDAQ on a Forex
There's
broker?
no need to. There's no need to.
There's no need to anymore.
There's no need to anymore. Yeah.
Welcome to the new world, baby. It's a new world. Well, the good thing is I'm going to be back later on for Power Hour. I got to go pick up my little boat here in a minute. We're pulling the little skiff out. I got to clean it up and get some stuff going. So, what you looking at? At this point, it's just not much you can really do. You got to be kind of happy.
If you didn't catch,
right? You made money.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, guys. So if you didn't catch that long when I kind of called out the long off the retracement, now you have to wait. It would be smart to kind of wait for something similar, right? Kind of like another retracement down, higher low, etc., and then you push back to the upside. But you have to be targeting that 880 level right? In my opinion, that level up to 26,000. Wouldn't be surprised if we close out today above 26,000, guys. Just being honest. So you know what's funny? I talk about this a lot. One of the things in regards to the BDH, guys, we're trying to add. We're here to we take pride in adding value to the space, and if you kind of listen to the levels that we talk about, more often than not, guys, it's not gonna happen 100% of the time, but a lot of times, guys, these levels are gonna be in play. So we talked about 880 level. We talked about PW. Talked about swiping that 780 level, 760 level, and then a push right back the opposite direction. These are levels that we're talking about ahead of time. And if you guys kind of listen, that's the goal of the channel, guys, is to help add value to the space where you're not just kind of listening for a buy or sell alert, but you're hopefully learning to kind of reprice better and take some of these trades on your own, right? That's the goal. So you got to love it. What broker do you use and what platform? So we're leveraging Tradeovate Prop. If you're wondering, as far as from a future standpoint, PW is showing you Warbucks. So it's a crypto prop firm where now you're able to trade stocks. So he's actually long on NVIDIA right now.
Long and strong. One of those days. One of those days, boys. But again, you know, I think you got to admit that there was a better setup, right? Like, it got up here to the top, and we were like, what do you do? Well, you just got to wait, right? And then that was the setup. We had the pullback. You got long there at the 790s, and then
let it ride.
She's going. So
DMoney, thanks for the call out from almost blowing my account up to $400. Hey, congrats.
Hey, leave a tip. Leave a tip, sir. Sir, if you almost blew up your account, I think you should leave a tip. It's only fair. Don't just say, don't talk about it, be about it.
Oh,
you know? DMoney, we gotta pay for that G-Wagon, chat. So if y'all can help us out, don't be afraid. Tips are appreciated. I'm gonna start getting a sign that says tips, please. Tips, please. If you make $1,000, you gotta leave at least $10 tip. They love Rain says, I love how transparent you keep it with us. I mean, there's no reason not to be transparent with you guys, right? We're all here. We're all fighting the same bullshit battles. Like, yeah, maybe when I go to court, I pull up in a $500,000 car, but like, hey, we all got our own problems. When I gotta wipe my ass, I use $100 bills, but I mean, we all gotta wipe our ass. Unless you're special and you don't got to wipe, which seems like you tell me about it. Here's a tip: plant your corn early. Damn, is that a life lesson there?
Yeah.
Look at that. Cambo say he took a bus to court. See, we all the same.
Hey,
we all the same people.
Yeah.
When I was on probation, the funniest is like I was on probation. And I had to like go to my probation officer, and they're like, like write down like what your goals are for the month, like what you're doing and all that. And I would be just put the most insane shit. I'd be like, to buy a $10 million boat, to like do all this stuff. And my fucking probation officer look at me like, what the fuck? Because every other crackhead's like, my goal this month is not to smoke crack. Yeah. My goal this month is not beat my wife. Everyone's got like these just like bottom of the barrel fucking goals for the month. But I'm over here like, build a business, get 1 million YouTube subscribers, make $1 million. And my probation officer's like, you good. Just you don't even worry. I'm not even like, just you good. PW, are you not going to take any more trades today? I'm long right now on NVIDIA. Yeah, all that. Why'd they put you on probation? So basically in Florida, if you, let's just say if you do something bad, I got criminal mischief. I got arrested for, I guess, road rage is the best way to put it. Having road rage. I don't know. Some guy basically called the cops, told the cops that I kicked his car, and then the cops came and arrested me for over $1,000 in damage because, I'm just that big, boy. I'm just that big. But the truth is, that motherfucker hit me with this car. I swear to God, no one believes me, but he actually hit me with his car. And I'm telling you why it was a fact, D. This motherfucker drove a Tesla. right? And you're telling me that the video, there was no video footage of me kicking the car.
Yeah.
Right?
So it
No
wasn't on
video
yeah,
footage
nothing on
because
camera.
the camera didn't work.
Yeah.
But there's video footage of me getting out of my car and then it cuts.
Yeah, it's crazy,
Bullshit.
Man. It's crazy, man.
Bullshit.
It's crazy.
Yeah, so I spent 9 days in jail when I was in Hawaii. Talk about the gnarliest dude.
Oh man.
I'm good. Like I told somebody, I'm like, I'm never going back to jail. So I'm straight and narrow, baby. Straight and narrow.
Yeah.
There's times where I'm like, I want to get out of this car right now and go bust that motherfucker's head open, but I'm like, no, don't do it. I learned my lesson. Is that why you hate Teslas? Not really, to be honest. The funny part is this guy, I was driving, me and Landon, we're driving down the road. This guy's riding my ass, like so hard riding my ass. So
Yeah.
I'm like, what the fuck's this guy doing? He goes around me and then brake checks me.
Oh man, you gotta be kidding me.
And then we pull
Come
up
on.
to the red light,
Come
and
on,
I'm
man.
like, what
Nah,
the fuck
nah.
are you doing?
Yeah, you're doing too much.
You know,
Yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah, he's doing
I'm
too
like,
much.
what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, that's great.
And he starts yelling, blah, blah, blah. So I get out of the car because I'm
Yeah.
like, all right, well, fuck you then. You know, I
Yeah.
get out of the car. I'm like, let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Get out, pussy. Like, get out of the fucking car. Don't sit in your car yelling
Yeah,
at me.
it's trying to.
Get out of your car and yell at me.
Yeah.
Well, obviously he didn't get out
Yeah,
of the car.
so
So
he
what's
stayed
he
in
do?
the car.
He tries to run me over. I swear to
Oh,
God.
my
He
goodness.
tried to run me over. And my body dented his car. Like, it's literally proof. Because
Yeah.
number one, I didn't get convicted. I had to serve probation because he said the judge says that. The best is the judge was like, Mr. Wieland, what kind of drugs were you on? And I'm like, I wasn't on any drugs.
Yeah.
Like, I was
Yeah,
just,
you're driving with your son in the car.
I
Like,
just
get
being a
outta here.
normal
Come
dude.
on, man.
Like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, that's literally like the prosecutor was like, oh, he was on drugs. And I'm like, what fucking drugs? Like, I smoke weed.
Yeah.
Like, weed don't make me crazy. Right? I mean, crack cocaine does, but I don't do crack cocaine. But yeah, literally. Yeah, you never get out of the car. 100% the truth. Truth right there. Oh man, we got an ICT trader giving us 20 bucks. I didn't know ICT traders even had 20 bucks.
You gotta.
Shout out to new TLR. He got 20 bucks. What up?
What up? What up?
Timothy Rogers, you gotta stop trading that ICT stuff, man. I'm telling you. You don't believe me. I'm telling you. Try it. I know. Yeah, road rage, don't do it. What car was I in? The best part, I was in a rental car. Like an Altima.
Man.
I was in an Altima.
Nissan Altima.
I'm in like an Altima. The best part is, dude, I get a phone call. I get a phone call from like the rental company. They're like, hey, we had, we got a claim.
Yeah.
And I'm like, a claim? They're like, yeah, there was an accident. I'm like, well, explain to me how there was an accident when my car had no damage to it.
Come on, man.
I'm like, how do you have
These
a car
guys.
accident
So
when my car had no damage?
What, he tried to do bodily injury? Is that what he tried to claim?
No, he said
Come
that there
on,
was
man.
damage to his car because I kicked it.
Come on.
By the
man.
way, that's $300 locked in there on Warbucks live.
You gotta love it. And there, guess what, guys? We just we
Still
got
pumping.
Yeah, to the bottom of that box on NQ as well. 25,873, guys. You gotta love it.
Oh my God, I'm too good.
Bottom of the resistance box on the higher time frame. Just got up there. Yeah.
But yeah, dude,
So
9
you-
days
so you-
in
not-
jail.
9
I'm not
days?
even kidding,
Oh
man.
man.
9 days in a holding cell, like a little box.
So were you by yourself?
They
or was-
treated me like I was Hannibal Lecter. I swear to God.
So you were in shackles and everything?
Shaq, I'm in fucking. They thought I
Are
was
you
the fucking,
serious?
the Unabomber.
Oh my goodness.
The best part is the cops knew who I was, because they one of the cops was like, I see you on YouTube.
Yeah.
So they were fucking with me the whole time. Like, they were all fucking with me.
Oh man.
And I swear to God, I'm in this little 10x10 holding cell. Nobody else in there. Because I was basically in the Honolulu Police Department. I'm underground.
Yeah.
I have no idea what time it is. I'm getting fed a piece of bread with fucking jelly, and then I'm getting a cup of noodles.
Oh, come on, man.
Dude, I lost like 15 pounds. I was doing push-ups, doing jumping. Dude, I was just trying to stay busy in there.
Yeah.
I was losing my mind.
Yeah.
I had no book. I would be like, hey, can I get a book?
Yeah.
Like, just give me like a newspaper,
Yeah,
like
something to read,
something.
yeah.
Dude, I
Something
was
to pass
losing my
time.
fucking mind.
Yeah.
And that's what's funny is like, I truly relate with people that, not everybody, obviously there's people that have fucked up and deserve to be in jail, but like, There's people that spend time in jail that are just like they're trapped, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I understand because like my brother went to jail, you know, when he was alive, and you don't go in there and come out a better person. To be honest, like you go in there and you come out and you're like, fuck, like, you know, like your brain just like does
you're
some
stuck
weird
inside
shit.
of a
You have no idea what time
not normal.
it is.
It's not
you have
normal.
no idea what time it is.
Yeah, it's not normal.
Right? So I'm just like in there and I'm like, I'm waking up in the middle of the night at like 1 a.m. and I'm like starting to like do a workout, and the cops like, what are you doing? It's 1 a.m. I'm like, fuck. Go back to bed for a little bit. Like,
Yeah.
no, I don't honestly like. I
Crazy,
truly, it's like it's inhumane.
Yeah.
It's fucking like I don't care what anyone says. Like it's fucking humane to put someone in a fucking box. You know, like I got arrested for criminal mischief, and I spent 9 days in jail. Like what happened to being fucking innocent until proven guilty?
Crazy, man.
Like that's not how it is in America anymore. You're guilty until proven innocent. Like I got arrested and I'm literally in shackles getting moved around the jail with my legs and everything. My fucking feet are, my ankles are bleeding because I've got shackles on them.
Nah, come on, man.
And I'm like, I got 8 cops. I
for a
had 8
freaking-
cops
Yeah, for a freaking
walking me around the jail.
car. Like, come on.
I wasn't able to shower. I wasn't like, it was just fucking wild, man. I had the same clothes for 9 days.
Wow.
9 days in jail, same clothes, smelled like shit. Bro, it's fucked. It's fucked, man.
Yeah.
Honestly. And then, like, you know, I was in there one time, and this kid, when I was in Orlando, I was talking to this kid, and he's like, yeah, man, you know, like, he's like, I'm fucked. And I'm like, what do you mean? He goes, you know, he's like, basically, when you're in jail, or when you're in whatever it is, like, when you're in jail, you have to pay, like, daily to be in jail.
Oh.
No one really knows that.
Yeah.
But it's like $5, like $8 a day to be in jail.
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't work while you're in jail, because not everybody gets the opportunity, right? Like let's say you're in there for 3 months and they're like, nah, you're fucked. You're not getting to work.
Yeah.
When you get out of jail, you got 3 months. That's like $1,500.
Mm-hmm.
So think about a kid. He's 20 years old. He just got out of jail.
Yeah.
He owes the jail $1,500. If he don't pay that $1,500, guess where he's going?
He goes back to
jail.
Ah, you got it. Come on, man.
Back to fucking, it's rigged.
Yeah,
it's
this is
fucked up.
This
And
is
like,
crazy, man.
I truly believe it's fucked.
Yeah.
Like that's like, so then like I talked to the kid. He's like, so I get out of jail. No one will hire me.
Oh yeah, because
like,
you got a record.
I
Now you
got
got
a
a
record.
record. Yeah, so
I
it's
can't
like,
make money. So
yeah,
then
you're trapped.
If I don't pay, I go back.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do? You're gonna sell drugs again. Right?
Like a cycle.
The prison, the whole jail system, it's all fucked. I truly believe that like if you do something like, let's say you rape or you kill somebody, just put a bullet in their head, get it over with, right? Like you don't need to spend life in jail.
Mm-hmm.
If a mass murderer shooter gets caught in the fucking act, it's not like, hey, let's go to court and figure out who did this.
Yeah.
It's just like put a bullet in his head and get it over with. Like
Yeah.
we don't even need to spend time talking to him. Like,
talking.
it's
Yeah.
just we're done.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? Like there's like, why do we put people in jail for life?
crazy.
Then
man.
we're paying for their cancer. We're paying for all their issues, health problems. It costs like 40 grand a year to keep someone in jail. 40 grand a year, tax money. And the prisons are all privately owned. If I was
It's a
president,
business for them. Yeah.
dude, death penalty's back.
Mm-hmm.
You do anything fucked up, death penalty. I don't give a fuck. Child pedophile, fucking death penalty. Get it over with. Get it over with. You know, get it over with. And you see the stories about, you know, like girls. You know, you have a daughter. Like,
Yeah.
You see stories about, you know, the daughter getting kidnapped or molested
Man.
or some shit. Like,
Yeah. That's.
I mean, like, I see some of those fathers. I'm like, no cap. Like,
Yeah.
that motherfucker dying.
Oh yeah. 100%.
Like, he's gonna die.
Oh,
like,
100%.
I will make sure that motherfucker's gonna die.
100%.
He ain't gonna sit in
100%.
jail.
Yeah, that's
Like, I know, like, I'll figure out a way. I'll put a bounty, you know, like,
Yeah.
now I'm gonna incriminate myself. But yeah, just shout out to anybody out there. You wanna fuck with my family,
yeah.
you're gonna find out the full wrath of the BDH.
Yeah.
There ain't no fucking way, you know, I'm gonna sit there and know that there's somebody just chilling in jail who just fucking, you know, did something gnarly to my family. Ain't no fucking way. So, Conman says, that's a good name. Conman, he says he did 13 and a half years, been out since 2014, now a licensed electrician, raising my son on my own. If you want to stay out, you can. I 100%, I agree with you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're not saying that you can't
No.
turn your life around.
Nah.
I'm just saying that, like, for a kid who gets arrested for, like, marijuana or drugs,
Yeah.
like my brother, he got arrested multiple times for, like, drugs and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's just, you know, like it's a very slippery fucking slope. You know, because when they're in jail, all they do is talk about how to get, you know, how to do more fucked up shit. Like imagine you put a bunch of fucking day traders into a room together. What are they gonna talk about?
Trading.
Day trading
all day.
You put a bunch of criminals in a room together. What are they gonna talk about? Being a criminal. But yeah, I agree. I think it's just like the cards are stacked against you. The whole fact that like I don't know. I just don't know. Like putting some kid out of jail and then being like, hey, you owe us $2,000. If you don't pay, you're going back to jail. Like that just seems like
it seems
kind of fucked
kinda
up
like
in some kind of way. You
setting
know?
you
like,
up for they're not setting you up.
What do you do with thieves? Simple. So easy, guys. Cut the hand off. Tell me that the shoplifters, the people at Target, right? Let's say someone gets caught shoplifting at Target. You cut their fucking hand off. You think they're ever going to shoplift again?
You know, in some countries they do.
Yeah,
they do that.
You think anybody's
That's
going to
the thing.
shoplift if they think they're going to get their fucking hand cut off?
Guys, we got and there's repeat people that they literally come into the stores like every week. You know them, like you know they. I mean, literally because guys,
like I know that guy. I know that fucking guy.
They call it a bolo, right? Be on the lookout. So basically, you got these people that. You know, they come in every week, guys, and they know the dollar amount, and I'm not going to say the dollar amount, but there's a dollar amount that basically you'll get prosecuted.
You're allowed to
like
steal before you get arrested?
Yeah, so they know the dollar amount, chat.
Holy shit, chat.
Look at this pop. There it is.
NASDAQ to the moon right now. 25,900. Shout out to DMoney. It's been nothing but green, chat.
You gotta love it.
It has been nothing but green since DMoney said to get long.
That's crazy.
What the fuck, D?
That's a 100-point move plus to the upside. You gotta love it, chat.
Yeah, that was your setup right there, my friend. That was literally your hourly setup, bro.
Yep.
You could have gotten long. Where'd you get long? 790?
Yeah, 790.
You could have gotten long at 790. Put your stop below the 760s on the bottom of that hourly candle right now, sir. That'd be 100 points, sir. Come on, chat. Everybody in the chat, tell D-Money we want to see some 100-point bangers. Chat, new rule for D-Money. After 11 o'clock, I want to see 100-point bangers. In the morning, take those 20-point moves, but in the afternoon, once these hourly candles start forming, come on. We all know D-Money got them 100-point bangers. He just don't want to give us to them. He don't want to give us the 100-point bangers. He's being greedy. Oh, man. What a time to be alive. Big shout out to Warbucks right now. 36 bucks. We're about to be out of here. I got to go deal with my boat bullshit. I'll be back later on, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, I'll be back. Maybe 2:30. 2 o'clock, I'll be back. I'll come back at 2. But yeah. Shout out to D-Money. Another beautiful day here at the BDH. I mean,
yeah, I don't think
there wasn't one trade that you know didn't work. I had that one trade that obviously went up like 10 points and then I just got out for break even, but other than that, it's just been absolutely fucking classic textbook trading today, basic trading. I mean, it's like I seriously, I don't want to toot my own horn here, but guys, like it's absolutely insane sometimes how well we called this out, how we played it. I mean, it's stupid.
Yeah.
I mean, I love the fact that this thing played out, right? That five, we were like, you know, like that 5 minute, it looks looks like it wants to pull back.
Yeah. Patience, guys, right? Sometimes you got to be patient and then look at the follow through to the upside, right? If you were patient and you didn't chase, you got rewarded. So you got to love it. D-Money wants the next play. Oh man, it's still going up, chat. You got continuation. So keep in mind that 880 level, that was the level, guys. We're inside of that basically daily candle level. I still feel strongly that you have a possibility of being above 26,000 before it's all said and done today, chat.
Crazy,
so,
man. Fuck.
Use code PW at Olive Garden. Works if you DoorDash your OG.
Shit. Olive Garden sponsor me. I'm down. D-Money hates Olive Garden, but I'm down. Honestly, I don't know why y'all hating on Olive Garden so hard. I'm going to take D-Money to Olive Garden later on today. He's going to love it. You know he will. He won't even say no. He'll be like, yeah, pretty good. He talks hard on live stream, but you should see him out of the live stream, man. This guy, he's going to be like, you want to go to Olive Garden? Let's go to Olive Garden. Go a little lunch special. We get the soup and the salad.
Yeah, soup and salad.
$4.99.
Unlimited
soup and salad.
Man.
D-Money gonna eat about 30 bowls of soup because he gotta get full. I never seen somebody so skinny eat so much. Y'all don't believe me. We go to the sub shop. This guy, he's trying to order 3 or 4 subs. I'm like, hey, you just maybe get 1 today. I think he's got a worm in him or something. Got one of those tapeworms. A buddy of mine had a tapeworm one time. I swear. He had a tapeworm, pooped it out. It was like fucking a mile long.
That's crazy.
Got it in
man.
a jar still.
That's crazy. He
Then
still
the
got
whole
it. He
food
still have it
pizza.
in a jar.
Yeah, I got it in a jar.
Oh man, that's like a trophy for.
Trophy tapeworm. All right, well, that's it. 11:55. We've been live now for I don't know, a minute, 3 hours, 4 hours. Pretty happy with that. There you go. See, someone said when they were broke, they ate the unlimited breadsticks. I agree, man.
Yeah, the breadsticks are fire.
Breadsticks are fire.
I like their salad too. Not gonna lie, guys.
See, you don't microwave the salad.
Yeah, they don't. Yeah, but that food I can't do it. Do us a solid if you haven't already, chat. Hit the like button. So I feel like we dropped a lot of sauce today. Talked a lot about life. Keeping it real, guys. I think only the BDH can kind of do that, right? So the way that we do it. So do us a solid. Hit the like button if you're not subscribed to the channel. You know what to do. If you didn't make money today, well,
Shit, if you didn't make money today, you might as well just quit. I'm being honest.
it's crazy.
Like, I'm just being honest.
Yeah, the
like,
price
if you
action.
didn't make money today, you might as well just fucking quit, chat. Just quit. Because, I mean, look at this chart right now.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this?
Cray.
Literally, this 5-minute candles is like, it has even nothing.
Nothing.
It's crazy. All right. Big shout out to DMoney holding it down at the BDH when I'm not here. Big shout out to the chat. Always being fun. I'll be back later on 2 o'clock for more action, more power. Right now, Warbucks, $36. If you haven't already, you know what to do. We out of here. Want to say peace?
I love you.
Oh, there you go.
People think I get all the time. Yeah, they're right. I get whenever I want.
Nah, man, nobody likes it slow. I like to get fast.
I've gotten in my bed, in the office, and one time in a car.
My boys and I got last week. What? Not at the same time?
Of course, we get every now and again. It's good for us, especially at our age.
Yeah, it is.
You guys are getting how?
Get funded today with Warbucks. It's trader funding made